Good evening, New York City. This is Mayor Bill de Blasio. I have a special guest here to announce something that's tragic that's happened in the New York City metropolitan area. Yesenia, please take the microphone. You have the floor. Yo, I know that y'all have been reading social medias and shit like that, like Twitter, Instagrams, and stuff like that. And y'all seen that my queen, my fave, my everything, Cardi B has canceled. She has pulled out of the Bruno Mars tour. You know what I'm saying? Because she has very physical reasons. You know what I'm saying? Like, such as like, she just had a baby, my nigga. Like, if you have a baby through your vagina, like, you should not be working. Like, you should chill. You should do like they do in Swedenland and like take off like a year. You know what I'm saying? For maternity leave. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is that I'm going to be a Bronx bitch and I'm going to step in and I'm going to save the world. You know why? Because me and baby Bruno Mars, a.k.a. Victor, the Bodega Boy, is going to do our own tour. It's going to be lit. It's going to be a Western Beef. It's going to be a Stop and Shop in Bay Plaza. You know what I'm saying? We got a Cortona Park date. You know what I'm saying? Stevie B, you know what I'm saying, is opening for us. So it's going to be fucking lit. You know what I'm saying? So please pull up. Tickets is $5. You get a free hot dog, you know what I'm saying, and a condo when you pull up. You know what I'm saying? So holla at your girl. You know what I'm saying? This episode 120 of Bodega Boys is the most dangerous podcast ever in the world. You know what I'm saying? Please do not forget to cop the tickets, okay? Stay in touch. Go on Bodega Sushi. They might pop up. You never know. Holla. It's your girl. Mwah.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yeah! Episode 120.
Oh my
Bodega
God.
Boys back in the building, back in the place to be, back in your ear.
Word God, we studying 120 God.
Yo,
Word is born, word is born.
Word is born, word is hate. Yo, coming to you live from where?
220.
West 18th Street. Like my Uber driver said, he was like, what's that, like a museum? Yeah, nigga. Why? Because that's where we make the art. You hear this crystal clear clarity.
Motherfucker.
Yeah. 120 episodes of this shit. Yeah. Who knew? Remember we were recording like dirty, random, shout out to the random apartments. And what the hell is Donovan and them?
Shout out to the fucking
the away studios.
Yo, fam. That was a
But nah, tonight's a home game.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying?
back.
We got Hasan on the mound.
You know
oh yeah, shit's looking good.
He's ready.
Yo, as always.
He's got good stuff tonight.
He's got the guts of a burglar.
He's got the guts of a burglar.
Ah.
You know? I can't tell his ethnicity, but he looks to be a little, on the darker side. But, but I trust him. I trust him
for now, but let me see how hard he runs out to first. Hey, give it up for your boy. Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle. His pockets stay fat like Tyrio. Shout out to Tyrio. Tyrio is still out here.
Bro.
Still out here.
Living his best life.
He's not arguing with y'all niggas, okay? He's not arguing with you like, sir, the buffet is closed. Nah, he's doing his thing. Tyrio, come on the show. I love you, my guy. Chris Astro, Sling Dick, Eli Litby, which is really gully. Slow but down, might know your bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Shake Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo. Yo, man, get the sauce. Mikhail going off. Mikhail going off. 1994 Nueva York. Juve Boss, MC Liquid Gunga P. Putting up for 40 with Shorty. AK Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
We are not familiar.
I don't know you. Shout out to Lyft biting our idea and now offering something called Zen Mode. Wow. Cut the check, you cowards. Cut the check. You listen to the art. You steal ideas. You go into the corporate domes on Monday and you spit it out as your own.
Yeah.
You're violating. In my DJ Premier voice from off of the Gangstar album. You're violating straight up and down, but you telling people where the samples come from. You can't do that.
Can't do that.
You can't do that. You straight snitching.
Big L recipes.
The reason why plus one got plus one still make a fuss on. These are Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew.
That's right.
That's right, man.
Yeah. It's a lot of
I'm sending a barrel down Pond Yard, but I'm sending it very slow. And you have to have the money when you reach this port. I'm not paying for that. Hey, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakuli without the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K, low K.
Papi, we need another arm to show up the rotation. We got it.
You know what it is? 3 Phone Jones, Jesus Ex Machina, Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Listen, every time you see it, if you are in a store and you see Dr. Bonner's, take an Instagram and tag me in it and be like, dilute.
That's it.
It's fun for everybody. Dr. Bonner's, you coward, cut the check.
You know what I'm saying?
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry.
I actually put some Dr. Bonnet stock in my portfolio.
Oh,
because I believe in the brand that much.
Oh, wow. Look at this big money talk over here. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got Presidents of the United States of America. Do you guys remember them?
Oh, shit. Yeah. Is this Peaches or the other one?
Moving to the country.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna eat a lot of peaches.
What were you doing when this song came out?
Moving to the country.
Were you 12?
Gonna eat a lot of peaches.
Oh, yeah.
Moving to the country. Gonna eat a lot of peaches.
I remember that song because my school was in the midst of getting desegregated, so it meant a lot for me. I was walking to PS 83 on Rylander Avenue with the National Guard, and that song was playing in the back.
Yo,
the Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hatford, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew,
Oh, shit.
the Moreno, you can't containo.
No.
It was ironic because I spent a lot of time in the container store, but just to check if they got containers that can contain me,
you.
and I leave there, and I'm like, none of these containers could contain me, and I knocked them down, and I have to wait outside because I'm like, my Uber's not coming for 3 minutes. So
the manager's like, this guy comes in here every Friday and does this. Why?
Does this?
Why do you do
shit.
this?
Shout out to Container Store. Listen, those drop front boxes. Wow. Whoa, they sweet, baby. They sweet. No more of that pop in the top, man. Have my fucking sneakers in like a container of ragu that take home for someone's dinner party. No more of that. I put them in the sanctuary where they belong.
They got sneakers in mason jars.
Just squished up. Just mad Mason. I'm like, where's my Jordan for? Have you checked next to the paprika? The human Mayway. Word to Ja. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Henrik Budkos. Nelson Bangdella. Sergio Cassimi. Vladimir Buffet. Think about all the sad bastards that are fast forwarding through the AKs and missing all this extra content. You miss it. We're giving you free foreskin.
Trash.
How you feel? Vladimir Buffin. That is a very problematic name. I've never realized. Am I a Russian agent?
Yo, you told me.
Am I taking money from Russia?
You're a bot.
Is that how I pay for my? I'm a bot. Why would
You're
you?
a butt.
Why would you say that, comrade? The human weather is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex. I think it's a Ricky Tiki Squabby. Greg Popovich. More to say it with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. You're suppressed, but your boy never is.
God
I am the art, damn it.
Damn.
My new AKA should be Mr. Sad at 11 p.m. Womp womp. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. William A. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Forget the small change.
Where on?
Give me that big money talk, Mero.
Yo, big money wine.
I want that to be the name of your portfolio. Big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's my
Matter of fact,
my winery.
we're opening our own branch of Fidelity for investments. Where you tell niggas to invest in NBA jeans, Supreme, and Cash Money, Money House Blessed. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Yo, reduce the violence in the city.
Yo, no knife attacks, man.
Come on, no, they have a lot of shootings in Toronto right now.
No,
stop.
not the six. Bad, no, it's a
don't be
bad
like
man
that.
thing.
Don't be like that.
Don't be a waste.
That's
man.
sad because Toronto. It was cool when we was there. It was like clean and don't be like. Don't be like the Bronx. To even people in the Bronx don't want to be like the Bronx.
You know what I'm saying?
We're trying to get better. Don't be. You know what I'm saying? Keep it cool. You got the CN Tower right there.
Come on, B, just fight like 101, like on some Vic Mensa shit.
Yeah. Gonna fuck you up, academics. Woo! Mr. Soponsky, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, purple stuff soda, and
what's that? What's that?
Hello.
Hey,
it's me, Sunny D.
Oh my God.
Asterisk, this is not real juice. David, you're a man. These expensive red bottoms.
Yeah.
Smoking Noah still getting them checks. Yeah. Andrew Kuhn. That's right. Mero keeps buying Versace. You know what's going to happen to him. Relax. Don't do it when you want to get to it. AKA the Junior Energy. God, Junior, come sit down, pound the charger.
Sit on it, yo.
And I'm not using wireless charger.
No, it has 2 USB receptacles.
Corey Petco, because they got your bitch on freeze.
Yo.
Shout out to everyone that's like, why did you just have like the wild misogynist nickname? I was like, no, it's a mispronunciation.
It's a dog's name, guys.
Stuff,
Come on. Read some books, you fucking jerks.
The topic of gossip and Sayah said, yeah, guess who's not getting home on time because the train derailed. Shout out to LIRR people. Hey.
What
is
are
this
you
the quiet
talking about?
car? I don't give a fuck.
I've never been to Stool Leonard's. What are you talking about?
Hey. So it was me, Mike Francesa, and some other broad. We was in Hempstead, in Love Jones.
Don LaGreca's in the back of the bar car, mad drunk and shit. Like, it should have been me.
Should have been me.
Should have been
Look
me.
at my hand. Do I look scared? Do I look scared? Hey, Mr. Chopping that street easy with bad reads like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, mesh murder, a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, aka you're problematic, babe. Let's get some of that all mayo ice cream.
Yeah.
How nasty is that? But if you think about it, ice cream is basically the same thing as mayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was shocked to find out that mayo is just like whipped eggs.
Whipped eggs.
I was like, yo, so does that mean I can make
saying,
mayo in my crib? Then I was just like, nah,
I mean, you
I'm
could
not
if you want to be anti-black, because while whipping the eggs, you're doing what the ancestors had done to them. They got whipped as well.
Yo,
okay?
oh, shit. Especially if you got them organic brown eggs. That's even extra racist.
Wow. Look at you. Look at you.
That's why I stick to my fucking C-towns.
I don't whip my eggs. I just put them raw. I don't even cook them. Just eat them like Rocky.
I don't even scramble them.
Nah.
I let them over easy.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So they can take the
We
shit
ain't
over
had
easy.
salmonella in Africa.
Until the white man infiltrated.
Okay. Also, I
Teach
pronounce the L as salmonella.
Teach these devils.
You know what I'm saying?
Show me heavyweight belt. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Episode 120. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Vibe, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your dog, nigga. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I don't fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. Take a look at my dad. A.k.a. no need to check the guesses. I am the guesses. You fucking herb. Look across the street, nigga. Look at that billboard. That's my fucking face, you jerk. Step aside, nigga. I'm getting in here. AKA CC, down back here.
I think I just saw Mero assault somebody.
Yeah, that's right. You know what I'm saying?
Does anyone have the number for TMZ?
Call him. I would love it. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga call Van real fast, like,
Van come up like, no, that's not me. He do it. AKA CC Dab Bathia, AKA, you know what I'm saying? I got my daughter taking acting classes with Viola Davis. She don't even know how to talk yet, but her screen presence is incredible.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Big Smack Me Elbow, AKA Diego Maradona, you know what I'm saying? Perico guy, AKA Dick in Your Baby Matumbo, AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the car. I borrowed yours and you using 2 row. Sorry, Fausto, you're not getting your Porsche back. I wrapped that shit around the pole. Wow. AKA the Dominican Daddy, Papi Chulo Shampoo. AKA sweat my card again, nigga. There's definitely money on it. Stop playing with me, bro. I got 3 different debit cards in an Amex. You're embarrassing yourself and you're embarrassing me right now. So please just put the stuff in the car and let me go. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Let me find out. I don't care how much a girl weighs. I'm gonna kiss her on the mouth right there in front of you and you're gonna do nothing, nigga. I dare you.
It's our anniversary.
I don't care. I'm gonna kick you with my brunch boot right in your ass. I dare you. Do something.
I'm gonna sue Rock Nation Latino.
You a coward. Nigga, I am Rock Nation Latino. Fuck out of here. Okay, let it know, touchy.
Light it.
Is it me weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and think I find. And the gas man don't give credit, nigga, so you better get the fuck out of here.
All right, and it's Cash App only. Don't use that Venmo shit, 'cause that shit's a snitch.
That's just the feds.
That's just a Babylon ting.
You know what I'm saying? That's just pure 12, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. You mean to tell me that he did not doctor those balls? He did not call the equipment manager and say, doctor those balls. You're out of your mind. AKA feel that as Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos mind, you know what I'm saying? Especially that Milky Way, you feel me? Yeah. Nasty, yeah. We back at Red Bull, so you hear every little tongue flip. You know what I'm saying? AKA fighting out Messi, MVP of Gelato, you know what I'm saying? I'm glued to the couch like a motherfucking Elmer, you know what I mean? AKA Zanio Betterfield, I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smuggle me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your sternum with a wireless Bluetooth speaker so you will learn to say things with your chest, you cowardly fool. Candy, let me see your titty again.
Oh, bad.
AKA, I open your menacing cabinet because you know who it is. It's the Benzo God, the Zen Man. It's coming AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga. Baby, I don't know who that is. That main. Somebody must have got their hands on my phone, man. God damn it. AKA Baby Newport. I got them shits 2 for $5. You know what I'm saying? Niggas got garbage down the way, and my shit does not stand from North Carolina. AKA Nino Brown. AKA live from the Checkers on Fordham Road, eating whatever you leave on the table. It's the East Street on Stevie B. doing his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking.
Yeah, fuck that TT. Yeah,
don't
yeah.
take love. I cannot stop leaning. You know what I'm saying? And straight from across the pond, mate, you know it is, man. It's the only rock stars in the building. It's the Bodega Boys, man. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a double-edged razor under my cock hood.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow. Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
You know what I'm saying? We out here, BX all day. AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying?
Never. He's got the guts of a
You know what I'm saying?
burglar.
That's it. You know what I'm saying? A gorilla. I'm a gorilla on the fucking mic. What's wrong with you people? AKA Houston full of strip clubs, boy. I'm ready to risk it all. This your boy, Barmelos Anthony.
Flip 3.
Pulling up from VIP. Bang.
He really in Houston now.
Yeah.
I know his moving company is like, this shit is all hats?
What? Nigga, what the fuck?
Oh, a lot of guys, one stack of power DVDs.
The absolute worst thing that can happen is Melo meets up with B King in Houston. It's going to be a problem.
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, if you see me at Target actually buying a Dyson because the sales associate recognized me and he was like, bro, I be listening to the podcast, bro. Please don't steal this shit, man. Like, you gonna get me in trouble, my nigga. Please, bro. Like, I fuck with y'all. I fuck with the brand, y'all. The brand is strong.
Dad.
You know what I'm saying? Mind your fucking business, nigga. Punch me like a fucking bear, man. Get the fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I sold fake leans to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. Now he's laid up in the hospital. He caught a injury with the Ricky, huh? AKA, Hasan, dime la pista, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, el más loco, el feo más lindo. Oye, si tú vienes a ranear para mi mesa, rueda, palomo, que esto es para gente dura, que tiene su funda, así que acuérdate, pariguayo. Mami, tú sabes por qué tú me gustas, porque yo pago el wiki, tú pagas la juca. You know what I'm saying? Episode 120, nigga, we out here.
Let's fucking go.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. First thing first, you know, shout out to the sponsor, shout out to Red Bull.
You know what I'm saying?
As always, you know,
All day.
you got to fuck with it. The
You know
Red
what I'm
Bull
saying?
Music Culture Clash coming
Go-
back to Atlanta.
Big up.
Friday, August 24th.
Big up.
At 787 Windsor.
Yo.
Be sure to go online
You know what I'm
and order
saying?
your ticket. $20. Ages 18 plus.
Yo.
Big things are going.
Bigger things.
You know what it is. Red Bull always brings the heat.
Who's in it this year?
Oh, this year? Oh,
man.
Yeah, I can't announce it yet. We'll tell you more next week.
Oh, next.
Gotta build up a
Stay
little
tuned.
suspense.
Stay tuned.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta wine palm the cocky, but you can't like bust a nut right away. You just gotta,
You gotta chill.
you know, listen. Shout out to, you know, somebody, they did a picture yesterday on Twitter. They was like the funniest person in late night. It was a picture of shout out to Jimmy Fallon. People was like, that's not Jesus Mero, but we're not in late night no more.
Yeah.
So we got to do a recap on this show because a lot happened this week.
Lots.
A lot happened this week. Shout out, first of all, shout out to the sponsor Narcan, which saved Demi Lovato.
Yo, shout out to her. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to her. Shout out to her and Narcan, I guess.
Yeah, shout out to both of y'all. You know
Shout out to her. She going through struggles. She's a real, like, she, you know, like, she's a real person. Like, you know, just because you're famous doesn't mean you won't have problems.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to our man Loopy. Loopy clean out
You know
there.
what I'm saying? Shout out to word. Loopy got the coin out here. He's doing his thing. Shout out to
Yo,
you.
anyone struggling with shit, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
Like,
saying?
take it one day at a time.
One day at a time, brother. You know what I'm saying? Wake up, brush your teeth. You know what I'm saying? Look yourself
you
in the eye
gotta
and
do.
say, man, I got this.
Don't be like Future on Trap Niggas, because he was like, first thing he did is grab his strap. And it's like, nah, brush your teeth, my guy.
Brush your teeth first. Brush your
Dental
teeth first.
hygiene. Okay.
Point. Yes.
Okay.
All right, Nvidius, stop leading the youth astray.
What else is going on? Shout out to the Yankees. They just signed Zach
de lo mío personal, Brito.
Breton. A secret
Zacarias
Dominican.
Britonio.
Wow. Sneaking in there. Never would known.
Yo, he's proof that Babe Ruth is Dominican.
Obviously.
You know what I'm saying?
Obviously.
The lineage is there.
He's
You know
just
what I'm
moving in like Mad Brugal into the fucking locker and shit.
He's like, the nigga did the interview, he's like, yeah, I know how to look it. I mean, you know, but my mom is Dominican. Her name is like Glendaris. You know what I'm saying? So-
Instead of a Rosenberg, he just has like Pernil right there. Just hitting in between pitches and shit.
You're gonna know if he's Dominican or not when nigga comes out with mad pine tar and it's like, they're like, yo, fam, you're mad white. You can't do
Yo,
that.
Zach, you have to listen. I know the Yankees have a lot of rules about facial hair, but us in New York have rules about Dominicans. You have to immediately get 3 cuts in your eyebrow, okay? You have a week. If it doesn't
you know what I'm
happen,
saying? We're coming for you.
We're coming for you.
You know what I'm saying? We're revoking you. Dominican, you can't be allowed on Dykeman.
Oh, shit. Also, shout out to our boy Michael Arsenault. Just released a book.
That's right. I can't date Jesus.
Be
You know
sure
what
to
I'm
pick
saying?
that up. I know a
Pick
lot of
that
y'all don't
shit
be
up.
reading.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying? So
Read
get a
you
book.
something.
Get a book, because then if you have a book on your table and a girl comes through, she be like, I didn't know you fuck with books.
Wow, this nigga's smart, yo.
Yeah, you be like, yo, I'll be fucking fucking with all types of books, like the
You know what I'm
phone book,
saying? Like all kinds of
Say
shit.
it,
You know what I mean?
Facebook.
Matchbooks and shit. You know what I'm
Say it,
saying?
whatever,
All that
Ma.
shit, nigga. Sports books. You know what I mean? That's
You have a red, green eggs and ham. One fish, two fish.
Yo,
All right.
red fish, blue fish. You know what I'm
What's up?
saying?
Let me see your butthole. just heard some 20-year-old Jay-Z. Just nasty. Shout out to Ari Melber, who is celebrating the 1 year anniversary of his show,
The Beats. You know
on
what I'm saying?
MSNBC, which we were on.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
what I'm
know,
saying?
killed
Out
it.
Here.
You know
Did
what I'm
our
saying?
thing. You know what I'm saying? Got busy, got awarded, along with legendary Fat Joe and
Havoc
from
and,
Monday.
and the war criminal Bill Crystal. I'm saying, we out here. Just the creator of the Iraq War, just very casually hanging with us.
Fam, at one point during the night, I was a little smizzy. You know what I'm saying? And I approached Jesus and I was like, yo, nigga, the whole time they were saying Bill Crystal, I thought they meant Billy Crystal.
Yeah, you thought he was
from
like
City
from the
Slickers.
Mets? I was like, no, the nigga that like falsified the Iraq War. The neoconservative nigga. You know the funny thing is everybody was taking pictures with him because it was like ironic. Like there's certain people if say we were walking through the airport and Vladimir Putin was walking through.
You gotta flick it up.
You literally
You gotta-
walk up to him.
you
You're
gotta
like,
be
yo, gotta flick it up for the
we gotta
culture.
for the culture, my
For the
nigga.
culture.
Yo. Can I ask one thing though? Can we hit the jail pose real quick one
He's
time?
like, my nigga.
Okay, my nigga, I got you. Okay, I got you, comrade.
The brand Duke. Congrats on Showtime.
Yo, good
You're
looking,
not that bad.
You're not that bad, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Vladimir Putin. See, people was like, yo, he's like fucking former KGB. He's an agent.
Yo,
Listen, a Bronx, anyone from the Bronx could go toe to toe with him.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? An old lady, a dope fiend, a
Anybody.
nigga in the barbershop.
Titi,
See through his lies
you know
and
what I'm
shit.
saying? The Coco Halado nigga, anybody.
Like, yo, he be like, yeah, we're gonna annex, you know what I'm saying? You know, the Ukraine is ours. We're like, what, nigga?
What?
That's not your fucking country.
Fuck out of here, nigga.
Fuck is in the back barbershop. Yo, give them the independence, you bitch ass nigga.
Fucking
Like, oh,
herb
shit.
ass nigga, yo.
Oh.
Fuck out of here.
Oh.
Yo, give these niggas the independence before we fuck you up.
Fuck
B.
you up.
Yo, word up.
The barber kick him out with like half his hair shut.
Yo,
Like, get
the
out
fuck outta here with
Fuck
the-
out of here.
with the cape
Take your
on.
goons out.
Nigga run up and down the block, snatch the cape off the nigga back, like, give me my fucking
He got
cape,
mad
nigga.
goons and shit. Niggas come out the barbershop and fight him. The one drunk nigga in the Spurs jersey finally does something good. Oh shit.
Nigga, the Tim Duncan jersey.
Yo, he was yo, he was the best. Yo, no one could ever like the way he was pointing up on niggas.
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
That was the nigga.
Nigga
man.
had the fundamentals on lock. You know what I'm saying? That's why niggas was a dynasty. You
You know
feel
what I'm
me?
saying? Like we could do like 4 more seasons. Like he could come back right now.
Right now, you know what I'm saying?
Now. Yo, who pitching the ball? Hey,
Nigga got it. I got a
I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap. Speaking of cowards,
Nigga got a pint of Hennessy that's not really Hennessy. It's just Parmesan that he poured into an empty bottle of Hennessy.
speaking of cowards, shout out to the coward, Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah.
Who lost $120 billion.
Ooh.
Well, Facebook lost.
Yeah.
In one day.
In one day, because
My nigga, 120 billion.
Yo, everything is finite.
No, not everything is finite. How do you...
Fam, how you
What?
fuck up Facebook? How you fuck up that bag, nigga? That is like the eternal. That's the infinity gauntlet of bags, nigga. Like, and you fuck that shit up. You a clown, B. I respect the shit out of this. This nigga just sipped beer off the table that he spilled.
You know what?
I respect it.
Why you being messy? Why you being messy?
I respect
Back to
that.
Facebook. Anyway, how do you lose 120 billion? I guess you gotta have enough.
I get it right back. You know what I'm saying?
He's no longer in the top 5.
Wow. He's
Elon
sick.
Musk ain't answering your calls. Jeff Zuckerberg driving past your house to throw a stack at you like, here you poor.
Yo, you broke ass nigga.
Niggas dropping Teslas on your lawn. Like, take care of that.
Jeff Bezos just bike riding by his crib, shirtless, like, yo, nigga, you broke and not proud. Like,
Damn, in high school you was the man, homie.
what the fuck happened to
I love how we're broke compared to Mark Zuckerberg. But you know what? I never lost 120 billion, nigga.
Motherfucker.
Imagine you walk in a barbershop after losing 120 billion. You get roasted by everybody.
Fam, I'm not getting a haircut for 6 months. Fuck that.
This look like J. Cole.
I don't care, nigga. I look like fucking Jay-Z at the Louvre, nigga. With the natural
shit.
look and shit. Like, I don't care.
Working on an album.
That's right. I'm in
Let you
album
out.
mode. I look like I just came back from vacay.
Shout out to Jay-Z and Beyonce. They're doing the what is it? The On the Run tour. On the Run tour.
Shout out.
They invited Crystal and Kid Fury. Shout out to them.
Shout out.
Our fellow podcast
Okay,
members.
alright.
They shouted out. They brought out It's the Real out there
shit.
as well.
Oh,
saying.
shit, okay.
I checked our email. We did you get it?
I did not. I haven't checked my spam folder.
I just felt like if anyone would get a invite to a Beyonce concert. It'd be us.
I mean, yeah, I'm just saying.
That's cool.
But,
That's cool.
It's fine. It's cool. It's all right.
Cool.
It's right.
It's not like I haven't been holding down Tidal for 80 summers.
Come on, man.
Come on.
I got so many gift cards I haven't used because I want you to get money for real.
Okay. You know, I have on my iPhone a mixtape called "The Best of Memphis Bleak."
Come on.
The least you could do
Come
is throw me
on.
some tickets.
I got like 4 songs by Deranges.
Wow. Nigga, I still got the Christian album. All right? I'm still waiting for Major Coins to drop. It's The Rock.
It's right.
All right.
Yo.
What else have we covered? We called Lyft you cowards for stealing Zen mode.
Yeah.
We came up with that on here.
Yep.
Also, because the art is the oracle.
Yes.
23andMe, the genetic testing company, they're now using people's DNA to make, they're selling it to a medical company to make new drugs. Wow. If some podcast had told you that DNA testing was a Babylon thing, wow, now your DNA wouldn't be in the hands of white people.
That's right.
How you feel?
Now they're making
How you feel? And they lied to you. They're like, yo, you from Upper Ghana. You from Hempstead, Ghana.
I mean, a nigga name is like fucking Ian McKinley and shit. Nigga's like, oh, I'm 53% Nigerian. Like, nigga, get the fuck out of here.
Ancestry.com is just, niggas, they got a big wheel and niggas just spin it. They be like, this nigga from Sweden, Norway, and Patterson. All right, get out of here. Niggas just making up shit.
Like, yo, this nigga's 98% Alaskan.
Prove this shit. If they were like, yo, you're from here because your family's here, here's the address, you'd be like, oh, that's different. They're like, you look like an Etrian nigga.
Yeah, so, I mean, like, y'all got an Etrian ears.
You know what I'm saying?
So,
I think Tiffany Haddish is as well, so y'all hook up. You know what I'm saying? Good luck with that. Next.
Shit is like the fucking DMV. Like, niggas come up and like, yo, you look kind of like, it's just an old lady, like, you look a little Puerto Rican in the face. I'm going to say 23% Puerto Rican, 10% Nigeria, and 38% Alaskan.
All right, stamper card. Boom. Listen, I said very serious things on here.
Yo.
I said you can't just be mailing niggas
No,
peanuts.
you can't.
Actually, you can't just be mailing people peanuts.
Yes.
You gotta globalize it. You know what I'm saying? You just can't be printing out stuff for people.
No.
All right?
Toner's expensive. Bro.
Toner is expensive.
You know what I'm saying? Go to Staples.
Do not send your DNA to places that treat you like you're going to get your phone replaced at Sprint. Okay? Have some respect. That's your DNA. That's your whole family's lineage.
I watch way too much sci-fi movies to just send niggas my DNA.
If you just watch one episode of Black Mirror, you'd be like, no,
I'm not doing
it.
it.
I don't trust shit.
Nothing.
The dude at my pizzeria got offended because I went to use the ATM because I still use cash. Because do not fall for it. The technology. Let me teach these devils. They want you to go cashless because that's the mark of the beast.
Yes.
If you use cash, they can't track you.
That's
Remember
right.
that. Remember, you could buy whatever. You could buy pussy. You could buy crack. You
Everything.
could buy whatever
You
you
know what I'm
want
saying?
with cash. No one knows.
Nothing.
Also, please be sure to check out Cash App when you get a chance.
Yes, you know what I'm saying? To fuck with
If you're going to fuck with a Babylon thing, fuck with that Babylon thing.
Fuck with that one, you know what I'm saying? Because it's encrypted and shit like that.
Exactly.
They don't snitch.
Okay? It's the cool devil.
You know what I'm saying? It's the cool devil.
It's the devil with the sunglasses. Like, let's go.
Yeah, let's rock.
You got like a skateboard? Like, yeah.
What's up, guys?
Yeah. Hello, fellow millennials. Give me your soul. Oh, man. But yes, just don't be sending your DNA out there. Because you know what happens if they take your DNA and they perfect it, and one day you see the better, more perfect version of yourself passing you in the street. You're gonna be sick.
Yeah, we
got
gonna fight.
abs.
We fighting.
He got the Justin Bieber young fucking bob hair. He got the doobie.
Nigga got the doobie right with the pins in it? Nah, we fighting. It's on site.
Nigga 6'11".
Oh no. We gotta fight. We gotta fight. I'm clapping you.
Yeah. All right. Let me tell all my doppelgangers out there, it's our sight.
Yo. Don't come around looking like, I want niggas looking like us on no street.
Exactly. Shout out to everyone out there that has a safety word that you've programmed for yourself, that if a future version of you ever comes up to you, you know to say that to you so you know it's you. Do you have that?
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta come up with that.
Pastelito.
No, you can't say it on the air now.
Shit. Oh, shit. Damn.
Now
I gotta change it.
There's gonna be like 4 future Meros outside like, hey, Pastelito, that's not real. What'd you do? You made a rip in the Cosmos.
It was the Cosmos.
Oh, man.
Doc comes out of nowhere like, Marty, we gotta go.
Oh, shit.
There's not enough time left.
Yo, speaking of not enough time left, this has nothing to do with that, but shout out to Kevin Durant letting his balls drop.
What?
Did you hear him on the CJ McCollum podcast? They had a back and forth.
I heard he was talking spicy.
And he had the iconic line, "I just did your fucking podcast."
Wow.
KD's with the shits.
Wow.
And he's not doing it through a burner account.
Wow. See? We inspired that nigga to speak with his chest.
We call it Swaggerless McGee.
Yeah. See?
You know what I'm saying?
That's that tough love,
Yo,
bro.
KD, Blogger Boys, you know what it is.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I like this. Get dark on them.
Get dark on niggas, bro.
Not for nothing. It's been 2 years and he's still getting shit.
Yeah.
For the for going signing up with the Warriors.
Man.
But it's just like, and then people say like,
bro.
okay, Steph Curry don't give a fuck about that.
Yeah.
He's splashing his wife every year. It's on the same date. Kids coming out the same month. Let's talk about that. Yeah. One day, that's weird, but you know what I'm saying?
It's a little bizarre.
Let me find out this nigga can shoot well with his hands in his dick, but that's whatever. This nigga's a light-skinned guy.
Nigga just pulled from across the room, start jerking off.
He's just not gonna do it like, yo, Aisha. She's like, Steph.
That nigga does a little shimmy and shit.
Guess who's pregnant? No, everyone on the Warriors living their best life, but KD's still getting shit.
Yo.
And at this point now, it feels like KD's a better person than I am. Because Kevin Durant's net worth, last time I checked, was like 170 mil.
Yes.
Listen, quote Little Duval, I'm not going back and forth with y'all niggas. Okay?
No.
Not at all.
No. I feel like he finally understood that, like, yo, like, what's the point of me going back and forth with you niggas?
Exactly.
Like, what's the point?
But
like,
then there's also like people like, you ruined the NBA, coward, and they're doing like the animated gif of the cupcake. And I'm like, fam, you couldn't hit 3 shots in a row on a field.
Fam,
you will never
fuck a field. You couldn't hit 3 shots in a row and pop a shot at Chuck E. Cheese, nigga.
Right?
Like, so please,
like,
you know what I'm saying? Stay in, like the poet laureate LeVar Ball says, stay in your lane.
Like after being around athletes, and it's just like the level that they're on.
Fam.
Like I know it's like popping shots at people, but damn, like y'all.
How long
man.
How long has Johnny Damon been retired?
Johnny Damon is retired.
Like almost close to a decade.
Yeah.
And we played the celebrity softball game with Johnny Damon, and he was fucking raking.
Oh my god!
Like, and he's been out the league for years.
Also, after having to try to catch a ball on Yankee Stadium's field, let me tell you, I am giving all the country to every Yankee player ever.
Yes.
That shit is hard as fuck.
Yo, come on.
Like, you got people in the stands yelling at you.
Yup.
Like, the shit is under pressure.
You see people running around the bases. You got to strategize. Yo, do I throw the third? Do I throw the second?
Still one, though.
But, you know what I'm saying? Got that dub. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Pitcher Foundation.
Shout out everyone. Shout out 8 Boogie with the hoodie. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out Amber. You know what I'm saying?
But you know what I'm saying? We was out there. Yeah, we was out there.
You know what I mean? Doing the damn thing.
Damn. Like somebody was like, yo, y'all, because if you listen on, I think it's like the 3rd episode of Desus versus Mero. Shout out to that illustrious, we've had many illustrious shows in our life. But we were beefing about Lena Dunham. It was like, look at her. She's like verified on Twitter. She has a show on premium cable. I mean, listen, you gotta follow your dreams.
Listen, so expect nudity from us in the very near future.
Exactly. We're gonna do a show called Girls, but it's gonna be like a different type of girls.
Oh shit, niggas got the Tates on deck.
Wow. Shout out to Red Bull Studios just fucking it up because right now they provided us with Cheetos, crunchy.
Cheetos.
Wow.
Oh, they're not flaming hot though, right?
They're not flaming hot. No.
Did you hear about Shorty that had to go get hospitalized from flaming hot Cheetos? But it's actually because you're eating.
No, you know what it is?
Cheetos.
And let me make y'all as the Latinos say claro. Some of y'all have pussies for stomachs, and I say that.
That's a fact.
And I don't mean because pussy and cocky make the perfect team.
That's right. Yeah, welcome.
But no, pussy. You can't use that. That's a pejorative term. I don't mean that. You guys have weak stomachs because I posted up a very beautiful and illustrious snack I purchased from Lammy's on 233rd Street. A little macaroni pie.
With the great. Oh yeah.
With the curry goat gravy on the top. And people were like, "Oh, it's gonna hurt your stomach coming out. Oh, it's gonna look the same way coming." And I'm just like, "Yo, what's up? What's up?
What's
if you eat macaroni pie, if you are black and lactose intolerant, there are things you do before you eat something full of cheese.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Like you eat a little lactate pill.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe 5 of them.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe 10.
Maybe the whole bottle.
Maybe just a handful.
Maybe you just stay home that night just in case. You don't want to be at Baby's All Right. Like, have to remake the scene from Train Spotting. No, you don't want to do that.
Nigga, Bati's not all right, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Oh.
You gotta
travel mad like fucking wet wipes and shit. Like, yeah.
Just get a colostomy bag and shit just in case. Like, yo.
Oh, man.
Shout the mac and cheese with gravy, though, man. That shit is
good.
A gift from the gods.
That shit is good. You know what I've been thinking? We always joke around here on this show. We're at the point now. We have some time off because you know we're unemployed right now.
Well,
I watch Judge Judy every day. My mother is so confused. She has no idea what the fuck is going on because she's just like, yo, so like, what, like, are you like applying to stuff? I'm like, nah, I'm good.
no.
And she's like, nah, like you're home every day. I'm like, nah, I'm good. I'm just like, relax, ma.
I explained this shit to my mom 11 times, and she still is just like, I don't understand.
My mother made me dinner the other day because she was just like, I don't see you eating. I was like, I eat at night when you go to bed, like, because you go to bed at like 7. Like,
yo, fam.
Like,
yo, that is a fact, bro. Yo, my parents be in bed at 7:30 and up at 4:30. I'm like, what
exactly.
the fuck?
I was like, why the fuck are you up this early?
What are you doing?
She's like, why are you up this early? I was like, I haven't gone to sleep yet. I've been playing gun game on Call of Duty. like why are you up? The sun's not even up.
The sun ain't up.
She be in the backyard cleaning up. The raccoons are like, yo. The raccoon's like, yo, shorty, wild, yo, she cleaning right now.
Fam, this is our time to rock.
Yo, that shit is crazy.
Like, yo, we got the court now. What's good?
Yo, turn down that Hattie Racks. Yo, chill.
Yo, that's island shit. Like,
no, if you come to, it's not my house, it's my mother's house at this point because I've moved out. But yo, that house is spotless because my mother will clean the same area 3 times
in one day
because she got nothing else to do. That's why grandchildren are important.
Yeah,
because that will keep her busy. But listen, I got a cat.
Listen, thank God I fucking
I might need to borrow one of yours. Just bring them over. Be like, yo.
Fam, between me and my siblings, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grandkids.
God damn.
So she's busy enough. Otherwise,
you hear grandkids, I hear anchor babies.
You know what I'm saying? I am literally an anchor baby, yo. Shout out to all my anchor babies out
Fox
there.
News, expose him. Do a report about the Meroification of America.
My mom got pregnant and said, "Oh, we going to New York City."
You're just doing what Russia did, but instead of hacking, you're just hacking the pussy.
Niggas hack Washington Heights and shit. Like, all the douche niggas was like, "Oh, what's going on here?
Why are there so many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
do you guys?
7, 8,
what's
9.
going on? Hey, what's going on here?
They're doing the DJ Premier 10 Crack Commandments scratch. Like 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, mama huevo. It's the 10 platanos commandments.
What?
Yo, eat mango every day. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. And it was like, oh, okay. I guess we'll move up to Riverdale then.
Wow. Oh man.
Yo. Oh my God. Yo, Kawhi Leonard got traded to the Raptors, which means that the Raptors will be really, really good in the offseason and then get bamboozled in the first round of the playoffs.
Boom, 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 boom. I don't worry about other teams
usual.
because let me tell you something. The 2019 Knicks.
Oh man.
Listen.
Oh man.
The amount of potential there. Just
Bruh.
I'm getting choked up.
Yo,
I'm getting choked up, and it's delicious. Cheetos Crunchies.
No, it's not.
Shout out to the sponsor.
Yo, fucking, I saw some shit yesterday that made me like, I was just like, yo, bruh, like, it was inspiring. And it was.
Talk that talk.
It's more important that the scar is not up in here. So when you get back out on the court,
Can't hear it.
Oh, shit.
that's why it's important to stay fresh up here and not lose focus. So
You know what I'm
it's
saying?
all balance. I've been learning that this rehab.
Our master.
I'm 100% honest.
Talk to him.
I don't have any fears.
No
about
fears.
injury.
No fear, B.
I want to be the MVP of the league.
That's right. Talk your shit.
I wanna
Speak
be
into
a defensive
existence.
Player of the year.
Mm-hmm.
All those things
Talk to me,
remain as
KP.
my goals. If you have enough confidence in yourself and
Yeah.
that you're gonna work and you're gonna try to be the best player you can be, then why would you be afraid of the negativity or adversity?
Right. Adversity,
Better work.
nigga. That's
We
right.
talking about us.
And that way,
We talking about us.
every moment of joy, be getting back on the court. And
That's right.
the game.
That's right.
Listen,
Playing the game you love.
We gotta play that and do a montage of us working out Orchard Beach, lifting logs and shit. Nigga dead pressing the Coco Halado cart. Yeah.
Curling two Puerto Rican titis and shit.
yeah.
Like,
Yo, shout out to also. Well, is it also a shout out? I don't know at this point. Fuck it. It's like, oh, I'm drunk. But happy belated birthday to the queen of the Bronx.
oh shit.
Our queen,
Yes.
La Reina. You know who she is.
Yes.
J-Lo. Wait,
J-Lo.
49 years old.
49 years old, looking like she's 29 years old.
Did you see this photo of her with the nips out?
Oh, shit.
Shout out to A-Rod. Because
Yo.
A-Rod, listen.
A-Rod's like, yo, nigga, I was batting like 3-something in the, in the league, but, in the pussy, I'm batting like 500.
Sorry, that was the delicious touch and crunching of the Cheetos Crunchy. You know what I'm saying? Just be sure to check it out in the stores. It's usually sold. It's only 330 calories per package. So be sure to check it out. Cheetos, if you're listening, send us all the flaming hot Cheetos you have.
Yeah.
We want them. We want to die.
Our stomachs are not buns.
Listen, not buns at all. We eat everything except the pussy.
We want to die. Yo, didn't some fast food restaurant have like Cheetos, mac and Cheetos balls or some wild shit like that?
Probably, but you have to lower your voice because we are going to do a pop-up shop. I'm not even kidding. We are going to open a restaurant for like a week and just serve like smacked food.
Yes.
Just smacked, just food you would only eat when you're smacked, like fucking ramen with fucking sardines and dipsy doodles and like little chopped cheese sandwiches, like chopped cheese.
Right.
Yeah. Sounds bad now, but you're gonna be like, yo, this is good.
Oh, shit's mad good.
What's your smack dish? Your signature smack dish?
Oh man, my signature smack dish is, when you get Chinese food and you're like, yo, I don't know if I can eat this still yet, but I'm gonna eat it anyway.
Yeah.
I take the.
Oh, you take risky Chinese food.
Yeah, I take the because you know how you order the lunch combo and it come with the egg roll and everything all together, all smushed together.
Talk that talk.
Yeah,
Talk that talk.
I get the you know what I'm saying, the chicken fried rice. You know what I'm saying, with the egg roll on the side. Just put all that shit in the same Tupperware. It's just been in there for like a week. I'm like, yo, fuck it, nigga, I'm gonna roll the dice.
Niggas YOLO.
Then I just take out the Goya hot sauce out the fridge. Bukkake that shit, throw it in the microwave for like an hour.
The Maxwell like song like yeah, nigga, keep talking that talk, yeah.
Heat that shit up for like 30 seconds in the microwave. I don't even care that they got the mad cold spot in the middle. And just dog that shit, bro.
That shit sound delicious.
Spill it all over your shirt. You wake up the next day like, I don't care. You know what I'm saying?
After my ex, she used to make this thing for me called the Rikers Bowl. Ooh. It was all shit you could get from commissary. So it was like the Uncle Ben's rice in the bowl.
Yeah.
So you get that. You put like fucking Jack Mac in it. Okay, all right. You with me? Hot sauce, sriracha. In there. Okay. Stay with me.
Yes.
I'm about to veer off here.
You can't.
Take Cool Ranch Doritos.
Oh.
Crunch them up. Put them in there.
Oh.
Stir that all up.
Oh.
You put shredded cheddar on top of that. And then black beans.
Oh my God. Yo, this is a good thing.
Nigga, after that, you either gonna fight the whole dorm or you're just taking a wild nap. Okay? That Rikers Bowl, yeah. Shout to Shorty.
You gotta take that nap and then your butthole's like, yo, wake up, nigga, wake up. Like 2 hours in.
Lock up. Why we joke, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everyone out there controlling their buttholes. It's very important.
You know what I'm saying? IBS is a serious issue in America.
It is. I wasn't expecting that, but yes. Okay. All right. Shout out to the sponsor, IBS.
If your bowels are irritated, you know what I'm saying?
But he's like, that's not something you have all your life. It just pops up one day.
Yeah.
You're like, what the fuck?
And it just reminded me of how ruthless and foul 50 Cent is. Because when he had that beef with Cameron, he's like, nigga, this nigga talking about he got IBS. Nigga, you ain't got IBS. You got AIDS, nigga. Yeah. I was like, wow. Even back then, I was like, wow, fam.
Okay. People are surprised at the savagery of 50 Cent. Like, let's look at his life. Someone tried to kill him.
Yes. Was unsuccessful.
His mother was killed.
Yes.
His father died. Like,
Like
He was
fam.
in and out of jail.
Yeah,
Like,
he's famous.
like, you think he thinks about like PC culture? He don't give a shit.
Yeah,
You see his
shit.
beef with Floyd this week?
He's like, nigga, you can't read that shit, nigga.
He said, though, you're responsible for the murder of these people. And everyone was like, okay, wow. That was okay.
Wow.
Because listen, the rules of war are, there are no rules of war. Because you don't agree to shit.
Yeah.
There's the Geneva Convention, and there's the fuck out of here.
Yeah, fuck out of here. Yeah.
Like low key, if I was a country, I'm not respecting the Geneva Convention.
The Geneva Convention. This is the Geneva Convention that's like for governments and shit, and then there's like the Hood Convention that's like nigga, it's whatever.
It's whatever. It's whatever. You ever see that? Every time you see a fight in the hood, you'll see some shit. You're like, yo,
shit.
Like someone might drive a Camry onto a sidewalk and run over a baby.
Like yo,
throws a folded
niggas
chair.
is wildin'.
Listen, that's what it is.
But you gotta hear both sides.
You gotta hear both sides.
Like,
Listen, we all riding on horses.
Like, yo, son, this nigga got my sister pregnant though. That's why I ran over his baby.
See?
Like, oh, alright.
For every action is an equal reaction.
That's right.
All right?
That's
As
right.
they said, as Hood Einstein said. Hood Einstein coming to the TBS.
It's just been bursting in a wig and shit. Like,
I be mixing chemicals.
I mix chemicals, nigga. Here's some theories for you to ponder.
Yo, I got the periodic table on the corner.
Imagine Jay-Z play Einstein. Yo, nigga. Yo, I'm building bombs for peace, not war. You know what I'm
Yo,
saying?
this is wild. This is wild.
Einstein was a physicist.
Yo, this is wild. Oh my God. The theory of relativity. Yo, Blue.
Yo, my God. Yo,
Blue, for every action is equal in action reaction.
Yo, I thought the Manhattan Project was just me buying Manhattan.
Yeah, wow. Yo, E equals MC squared times 92, which is the bricks I lost. Oh, wow.
Oh, shit, damn.
Yo, Beyonce, you breastfeeding Sir and Rumi. Oh, wow. Look
Wow.
at your titties.
That's lit.
Yo, Jay-Z got mad kids.
He does.
Jay-Z and Kanye got mad kids. Well, I mean, you got kids, but they got
celebrity kids, which is like harder.
Yeah, which is different.
Like regular kids is like a little, you know what I'm saying? Like they don't expect much.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I bet you every morning Blue Ivy wakes up and it's like, where the fuck is my Belgian waffle?
Just smacks
You know
her
what I'm
hand right in
saying?
the face.
Like, yo, smack the maid and shit. Like this is not Vermont maple syrup. This is from Canada. I wanted Vermont. You fucking bitch. And just smacks her in the face again. I'm like, God damn, bro.
And you handle it just about like, yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
I'm sorry.
Spit on me again.
I'm sorry. And she walk out the room and say under her breath, long ass feet, bitch.
Wow.
Then Jay said, yo, I heard you. What'd you say? What the fuck you talking about the length of my child's feet for? Stop.
Wow.
It's mostly toes.
Damn, did Beyonce and Jay-Z got a $135 million Bel Air mansion?
Yeah. They are
With
doing
4
it.
pools,
They're doing it, bro.
bulletproof windows, and a helipad.
They are,
Fronta-
fam, they're doing it.
Damn.
They're doing
I definitely feel like I'm the type of person I'll be sitting in the house like, damn, I should have got the bulletproof windows. Just sick in my living room like a man low, like, oh shit.
Niggas just blinds drawn at all times and
I
shit.
got to sneak across in my socks to get food from the fridge. Like, I think there's snipers out there.
Nigga, right?
I see a red dot.
Nobody lives here on the blinds on the outside and shit. Like, just close some shit.
I got the Bronx side that's like, nothing in this house is worth dying for. It's like a guy holding a 45. You got to have a helicopter come in and go and have a helipad. You can't just have a helipad. Because I'll be the nigga to roast you like, yo, why that helipad mad dusty?
Yo, fam.
What's up?
When's the last time the Super was up here, nigga?
Nigga, what's up?
This shit is the helipad, nigga. Shit's looking hella dirty, nigga.
Boo, these
Dusty
niggas don't
ass
got no
shit.
hella. How you got 4
Fuck outta here.
pools?
Wow.
4 pools. I mean,
4?
maybe you need 4.
Well, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it's a lot of people. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I would.
Accommodate the residents. You know what I'm saying? You need that. Nowadays,
8 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms.
Okay.
Okay.
8 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms. God damn.
15 car garage.
God damn, bro.
In-house spa fitness center with a 12-person whirlpool.
Wow.
And they're spending $11 million on furniture.
Yo, 11 million.
Oh, excuse me, 10. I don't want to be. Listen, they're being reasonable.
Okay. Now
Just
makes
imagine
sense.
Jay-Z and Beyonce at IKEA.
Imagine them niggas at corner furniture, nigga. Like, you want it? We need
got
it.
it?
Oh yeah.
I'll take that sectional. I'll have 5 of those.
Yeah, let me get 10 of these.
Okay, wow. The 2 white elephants holding up the glass table. Can I get 4 of those?
Let me get 4 of those. Can I get the ceramic, poorly hand painted rhinoceros sculpture?
Wow. Okay,
You know what I'm
this
saying?
rug right here, that's also the face of a tiger?
Yes.
Yeah, I need that, definitely.
Definitely for sure.
Okay, see this Jesus where the eyes follow you no matter where you go in the room?
Exactly,
Yeah, can I
yes.
get this like wall size?
Yeah, can I get the velvet painting that you have to plug in? Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that Yankee Stadium picture that has a light in the background as if they're playing? Yeah, I'll take 25 of those.
Fam, I don't even know what you gotta buy corner furniture, nigga, for 10 million.
You can buy the Bronx for 10 million. Okay? That's ridiculous.
Yo,
You can't have like a big ass house and not have no furniture.
fam,
Imagine that's the mad buzzkill. If you went to Beyonce and Jay-Z's house, you went to like one of the like a living room and it was just empty.
empty.
It was just like a box and it was like Blue Ivy shit.
Like just wild Taz.
Like, this is whack.
Just wild Taz Angel status. Like, yo, like there's no furniture anywhere. Like, yo, what's
Or
going
you
on?
go to a
here?
bedroom with like an air mattress.
She's like half deflated and shit. Like, yo, what's going on in here, bro?
It's an air mattress. It's like Matt also copies of Best of Both Worlds.
Yo, man.
You're like, yo, what? Armandale?
Oh,
what the fuck?
What the fuck is this?
I'm not letting Dame get that back.
Chill, it's mine, nigga. I dropped the whole mixtape to sell this shit, nigga.
Yo, remember that video I did with Clue here?
Look.
Some DVDs of that.
Yo, I made fun of his hair. Remember that? On backstage, I said he had 5 different haircuts.
They give you an oversized Hey Poppy t-shirt to sleep in at night.
nigga, you look out the window, Miller's your groundskeeper. She's like,
Maybe that's who's sleeping in all the other rooms. There's people from Rockefeller never had that album. There's the Rangers, there's Rel, Major Coins.
They got GDK like just like fucking mausoleumed in the fucking corner.
Nigga knocking on the floor like, state property, keep it down.
Yo, Chris, Neef, it's
Yo,
bedtime.
Free, yo, free, keep it down.
Yo, put the beat back on.
Damn, $135 million house.
God damn, bro. That's out of control.
You know what? Anyone else, I'd be like, that's out. They gotta have that. They gotta have that.
Everybody had the crib in Miami with the fucking retractable roof. I'm like, how the fuck?
If you can go by one
crib
name,
ain't got no roof, nigga. Like, what
if
the
you
fuck?
go by one name, you deserve a stupid house.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Did an agent just make $13.5 million?
Do that
On
math.
commission, yeah.
Do that math.
Yeah.
All right.
Yup.
Yeah. You see that? You all right? Do that math.
The agent is jerking off with
Okay.
both hands right now, nigga.
Okay.
Like, yo.
Don't get it twisted. Victor, he still does the math, even though he is going on tour with Yesenia. Get those tickets
You know
coming
what
out
I'm
right
saying?
now.
Right
Yeah.
now. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? Young Bruno, you saying, yeah, world Bronx wide tour.
He's gonna do 24 karat. He's gonna do 24 karat magic, but he's gonna adjust it to whatever the actual price of gold is at the time. 22.575 magic.
Ounces in the air.
I don't think you want to say that in the Bronx.
Again, shout out to Cheetos, made it with real cheese.
Yeah.
They're crunchy.
But that's crazy that you got a crib and you don't got, like, if you have no furniture, then your crib just looks like the hotel from The Shining, nigga. It's just like mad hallways and just like mad
But
terrifying.
I mean, they have to have like people that they have like security, that live with their family and stuff. You know,
mad people living there and shit. Yeah.
But you also need enough space to be like, yo,
Is that weird though? Because like I'm like the type of nigga that just wakes up in the morning to go take a piss and like I'll just walk around the house with my dick out. Like I don't care. Like is it like do you have to observe a different etiquette now that you have like help? You know what I'm saying?
Oh well, I mean, unless you want to get like a sexual harassment lawsuit.
You just walk past the nanny with your wild dick out.
Yeah.
Like, yo, good morning.
That's not what you want to do. Right there. Like, also, if you're rich, get a robe.
True.
Actually, robes are not some rich people shit. That's just regular shit.
That's just regular shit.
Just steal. Next time we go on tour, steal a robe. You haven't stolen a robe for any of the hotels we went to?
I haven't. I've been shook.
Wow.
I've been shook.
Yeah, because they check.
Yeah, they do.
put that note. They're like, yo, it's $200.
Yeah, they put that little thing like, yo, if you take this, it's this.
They're like,
if you
please
take
enjoy
this,
this
it's
robe.
this.
If you take this shit, it's just $200.
Motherfucker.
Shout out to the W that's always like, yo, are you thirsty? Here's water. $15.
$15.
It's like on
with the little
you
price
see,
tag.
so you get to the end of the water. When you reach the bottom, it's like, that $15. Thank you.
Ha ha ha. She's just laughing.
They're like, here's a cup. You could use it to get water from the tap. Also, by the way, the last person put their dick in this cup. You're like, how do you... Damn, they're right.
Fam, this is one thing I will never understand about hotels. Why is the ice machine always so far from everything? The ice machine is always like, I mean, depending on what room you're in, obviously, duh, but like the ice machine is always in like some weird corner. Why y'all niggas can't just put ice in the mini fridge?
You know what? I I've never had an ice machine beef before. Like, who the fuck you? What are you doing? You got like bottles of Moet in your room? How much ice do you need? But that's fair. You're always asking for ice when we go out to like restaurants and shit. But,
Like, yo, come on.
no, when we stayed at Mandalay Bay in LA
Was that LA?
for Weed Week for the show.
Okay.
What was the name of that hotel?
Oh, you mean the Jamaica Bay Inn?
Yeah, Jamaica. Yeah. Yes. Say it with disdain. My
The
room.
esteemed establishment?
Yes, my room was directly across from the ice machine.
Oh, you lucky
had to hit-
bastard.
No, I had to hear that shit all night.
Oh man, people be like,
No, the machine is just churning all night, making ice.
oh shit.
This shit's ridiculous. That's why it's mad far away from shit. No one wants to hear that shit.
Oh,
You never
shit.
want to be near the ice machine or the elevators.
Oh man.
No, you want to be as far away.
Damn, I low key got used to that shit when I was living in the Bronx because my refrigerator makes ice and it does
Yeah.
that weird like every half an hour.
Yes.
Like,
So now imagine you sleeping pon the road, as the Jamaican god Drake would say.
That's right.
And now it's not really your house. You're tired after
Yeah,
the show.
man.
You're trying to sleep, and then you hear you think niggas is trying to break in.
Yeah,
You know what?
bro.
I live in fear of the home invasion. It's not about losing money. It's about disappointing people.
keep it on it. When you get into your hotel room and you get situated, is the first thing you do is put on the slam lock, like the.
Oh, as soon as I walk in, slam lock. Slam lock is right there. Slam lock is on. I can't tell you how many times I've locked myself out the room. Because like you think you have the key in your thing and you just not. And you gotta go to the front, you show the ID. Like if any W hotel I go to, like I know the whole procedure, I just show up with my ID. I'm like, yo, I lock myself out. Like, here you go. There you go. Yeah. How many more you need? 2 more?
Yeah, give me 5.
Like I'll stay there for one night and then at checkout I'd like turn like 7 keys. And they're like, whoa. They're like, what were you doing? I was like, yeah, it was a rough night.
Anytime I go to a hotel, bro, it's like I'm like the worst nigga at Uno. I'm like, I got 30 cards in my hand and shit. Like, yo, I'm gonna lose 29 of these in an hour.
And then I was keeping all of them. I was like, oh, nah, they're good. They just taking enough space now.
Now I'm just like finding them shits like under the couch and shit.
what is this?
Like an old pair of pants. Like what? When did I stay here? Like what the?
I was like, yeah, I saw what I was like. I was in Seattle. I was like, yeah. Like,
Oh shit! That was like 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
Also, now no longer being employed, I have no sense of time.
None.
I don't know what days of the week
I gotta
it is.
I gotta go look at my phone.
Fam, the Uber driver today was like, yeah, Thursdays is the new Friday. So I was like, hold up, shit, it's Thursday?
What?
I was like, what? I was like, oh, okay. I was like, don't do that, man. I was about to tell him, like, turn this Uber around. I'm going to be there tomorrow.
Think that's just to camp out like it's a fucking Supreme drop and shit from the Red Bull.
Oh, shit.
Yo! Oh my god! Kawhi to the Raptors! Drake is excited.
He is.
Has he said anything? Has he made a public statement? I feel like Drake is like the GM of the Raptors somehow. I don't even know who
Drake
the
runs
actual
Canada.
GM. Yeah, he does.
runs Canada. It's actually not hard. If we wanted to, we could take over Canada.
probably could.
Easily.
Yeah.
No violence, no guns or nothing.
Yeah, no.
Just like walk in and just be very loud.
Yeah.
Like they're we just have to fight their king.
Who's? Oh yeah, that's right.
Whoever the king is.
Yeah,
They have a queen and shit.
Mike Myers, I think is the queen.
I think what's his name?
Celine Dion is the queen of Canada.
Yeah.
I think so, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But then you get like Magic Makers and shit. But then like,
No, because once you if they rise up, you be like stop,
yo,
and they just all go home.
yeah,
They're polite. Also, they all
stop.
got- stop.
Oh, would you like us to hand over the go? Oh, is this a coup?
Can I have the government? Just go to like a town hall, like hello, we're from New York.
Yes.
We would like to run Canada now.
Yes.
So please hand over the government.
Yeah, please hand over the government. Give us the Cliff Notes of your Constitution if you have one.
No, we don't want that.
We don't even. Actually, yeah, you're right. We don't even need that. We're gonna make our own.
We're gonna take over
start
Canada,
tomorrow.
but then we're gonna get bored with it, so we'll just leave it to Amani.
Yeah.
She runs it.
Yeah. You do
Do your thing. You keep doing your thing, girl.
Do you think, man?
Do your thing, ma. Keep shining radiance. Take care of the babies. Shout out to her. Hard hitting. She does good interviews. So she interviewed us.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to you.
Listen, we just do good things for good people all around the world. Once you meet us, your life will be forever better. The same way my
blessed.
predecessor made our lives better.
You know what I'm saying?
My predecessor.
The radio gorilla. He can't be stopped.
You know he's telling people that's my niggas. You know that. Bill Simmons too.
Yo, Bill Simmons. Bill Simmons. He's like, yeah, the Yankees fans, but they're still my niggas. I bangs with them.
I want to be in a room where people like listen to that. And I was like, can I laugh at that? Is that funny? Please don't say I use the N word.
Oh, son. Oh my god.
No. No, if you're white and you're from Boston, you definitely use the N word. And by the N word, I mean New England clam chowder, the best clam chowder out there. Yeah, you know what it is. None of that New York shit. Yeah.
Man, clam chowder just gives you heartburn.
I said, who made Manhattan clam chowder? Manhattan clam chowder looks like something I would use if I was a coked up stockbroker in the 80s.
That's right.
With like the wild shoulder pads in my power suit. Mm-hmm. Like some shit I eat at Trump Tower or the Four Seasons or some shit for doing mad lines of blow. With like some prostitute at the what's the name? At the Milford Plaza. Yeah. The Milford Plaza is where la la by on Broadway. Suck on my cock. Yeah. That's right. It's a new character. It's 1980s Michael Anthony. Yeah. Yeah. Julio, you got the blow?
Everybody was Michael Anthony in the 80s.
Julio, you got the blow? Yeah.
Set done, right?
Yeah. I gotta take the train. You know what? I got that thing on me. I'm the new Bernie Getz. Let's go. Yeah.
I got a new plug in Jackson Heights.
Taking the double A train. It's whatever. Tell Mero Koch how am I doing? Yeah.
I got something on him. I got something on him.
Yeah, you heard about Westworld? They're trying to build like some sort of highway over the highway on the West Side Highway. It's never gonna happen. Never gonna happen. What's all these bums in Tompkins Square Park? I'm just mixing up mad New York memories. I have no idea what the time frame for this is. I might throw 9/11 in there, but it's a new show coming to CBS.
Yeah.
So 1980s Michael Anthony.
Michael Anthony in the 1980s.
And, I'm gonna meet Drew Barrymore at the Studio 54.
His guts hurt. It's Michael Anthony.
You have to have the wild like fucking synthesizer thing. We can dance if you wanna. We can dance if you wanna dance.
Come on, Mike Anthony. I need a hot bag. Oh, I just need some dog food.
Michael Anthony. My God's hurt. Michael Anthony. Everyone's like, I didn't know the 80s was lit like this. He has a Jerry curl, which I don't understand. He's white, but
Hey, fuck it.
he has on the wild members only jacket.
Like, bro, how'd you get your hair to look like the nigga from fucking Coming to America?
Oh, there's a Michael Anthony for every decade. There's a Michael Anthony just getting like leaning off of fucking morphine in 1920s. Yeah, I'm a chimney sweep. How you feel? Chimnery, Julio. Hey, get Julio on the telegraph.
Yo, Julio sent me this shit straight from Normandy, bro. They used this shit on the front lines, bro.
It's D-Day on my van. It's opium. Hey, I'm gonna smoke some of this with Sally. She has to do her shift at the Triangle Waste Factory.
Man, this is my favorite opium then. It's got 4 out of 5 stars on Yelp.
I'm waiting for my 5-year to get off his coal mining shift.
Nigga get out of work, man. Black rings around his nose and shit. Like,
Dad, you smoking my opium. Dad, get the fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Don't walk on that side of the street. They throw garbage out the windows.
You make any money, fucking coward. You fucking bastard. This is my opium.
Whoa. Watch yourself for one of those horseless carriages. Hey, I'm gonna get high and I'm gonna go beat up some niggas in Harlem.
That's like the Jacob Reese book, like, that didn't get released and shit. Like,
yo, we are wilding. The problematic light is on.
Yo, some shit is blinging. I read that book and I was like, wow, motherfuckers used to really sleep standing up on strings? Like,
yo,
wow, okay.
Wow, like, when was people like old school New York? Because we talk about old school New York, people are like, oh, New York in like the early 2000s. Nah, nigga, New York in 1910. When your grandmother was 25 years old and died and was like, I had a long life.
I lived a long, productive
and she
life.
still has, she's 25 years old with 40 grandkids. You do the math.
Yo, that shit is crazy. And it was like mad perfectly acceptable for like to be 14 and have like 3 kids.
Out of control. Why? Because meat lasted 2 days in your icebox. Okay? You had a man running up your fifth floor flat with a big block of ice for your block.
Shoes already melting. Like, yo, I gotta hurry. It's July and shit. Nigga slipping down the stairs.
Your great-great-grandfather beating off to Betty Boop.
It's a black and white picture of a shorty like showing her ankle. Nigga's like,
shit.
Yeah.
That was X videos and shit? You got the plague, so your eyes are kind of blurry. That's buffering.
Yeah, like, damn, that shit was whack.
Your whole tenement died from consumption. Huh?
Fuck.
Yeah, y'all go to Governor's Island for concerts. That's where y'all lived.
Yeah. Motherfucker.
Fighting with cats and shit.
Go to the tenement
Cats
museum.
had monocles and shit.
Top hats.
Good day, sir.
I'm a railroad baron cat.
Yes. I own Atlantic Junction.
I'm a Rothschild cat.
Where are the Jews?
What?
You're an anti-Semitic cat?
Damn.
Also, another popular show in 1910.
Anti-Semitic cat?
Anti-Semitic cat. A microfiche. You can watch it in Times Square for a nickel.
It was a silent movie and shit.
I'm getting those rats.
Yeah.
I love this.
It's like a rat with a yarmulke on his
They're
shit.
like, anti-Semitic cat broke a box office record tonight by making $20 this weekend. Everyone's like, wow.
Wow, $20.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
That could balance the national budget.
People had to work their whole lives to buy a car for $200. What you spend on your Metro card every month?
Fair.
It's like what niggas saved up their whole lives for before like 1930.
Dog. Shit is absolutely bananas. Inflation. Inflation.
Not the inflation, how the price of everything has gone up, but minimum wage has not.
Has
You know
not.
what? Betsy DeVos has 10 boats, and she recently had her yacht, which is worth something like $40 million.
Yep.
Someone cut the cord, and it drifted off, and it got like $10,000 in damage.
Wow. Yeah. I feel so bad for her.
So the person in charge of public education has 10 boats.
Oh.
10 boats.
Okay. Are you starting a nautical school, my nigga? Like
10 boats.
Like
Why do you got 10 boats?
why?
What's going on in your
Why?
house? Like, I could have said, like, come on.
Like I feel
That's like me and Nike up tempos. Like even now, I'm just like, all right, enough is enough.
I got enough.
Shout out to the Arthur Avenue ones. Hey, my fucking These are my nigger kicker boots.
Oh, hey, Julio, look, I got a pair of kicks for you, bro.
Hey, look at them. The red, the white, the green. Hey.
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know, man. They're Italian, but, like, if you paint, like, a little brown thing in the middle, it could be Mexican. You know what I'm saying?
They're
Like,
great sneakers for all my Italians out there that spent their whole life like, yo, I love the mafia, but I also respect blue lives. So, hey, all my Rhinelander Avenue guys. Hey.
Shout out to Marvin Spark. Yo, you know the shark got 10 pairs of them shits.
Exactly. Deck. And shout out to all my Mexicans who were like, orderly, hey, these are ours.
Back.
You know, if those were Mexican sneakers, they would be an eagle. Because Nike don't play around. You know, Nike re-released those with the eagle in time for the next soccer match.
You know what I'm saying? Or Cinco de Mayo or something.
Cinco de Mayo, yes.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what? Because I've tried to be an ally, I don't recognize Cinco de Mayo because when I think of Cinco de Mayo, I think of white people
Drunk
getting
white
drunk.
people? Yeah.
And I forgot it's like a real holiday.
It's actually a real thing.
It's like Day of the Dead. You're just like, don't paint your face like that. Don't do that. That's appropriating culture.
Stop it.
They're like, I'm actually Mexican.
Okay. All right, cool. My bad, Julio. My bad.
Sorry.
My fault.
I was wilding.
All
right, can I get another the Conte with the hot sauce on
shit
top?
with the thing with the put salt on the rim. Salt on the rim. Yeah, I like that. That shit's mad good.
You never had that the Conte with the hot sauce on top?
Like where they pour it into the beer?
No, they pour it on the top of the beer.
Oh, just like around the lip?
Yeah, gotta try it, man.
Hey.
You gotta try it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta try new things.
Yo, my parents are back in the United States of America. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Tite FIFA.
Did they stop by ICE? What happened? Why weren't they?
Not in chilling.
Oh, they're just visiting.
Yeah, they're just visiting.
The way you said it, I was like, yo, this nigga's detained. Like you gotta be clever with shit.
They got me in the cage crying and shit. Like, I miss my mommy and daddy. They're like, nigga, you 35.
They're like, this kid misses his child's parents.
They just show me in a little cage with my little kids like crying and shit. Like, yo.
They got you. They're like, do you understand what's going on in this trial?
No.
You understand the charges in front of you?
No.
Sir, you're 35.
No, I'm no.
So you're on a gold chain with Jesus.
I know, man. I fucking baby.
The saga of the Kid Mero. And of course, who plays your lawyer? Pio. Can we even get P.O.? P.O. is too large for us now, man. P.O.'s out here.
He's Cardi B status.
P.O. he's in I Got the Hook Up too, Master P.
Yeah, bro. He's in everything.
Shout out to him, shout out to Fat Boy SSE,
You know what
shout
I'm
out to
saying?
DC Fly, everyone out there.
Out here, bro.
I Got the Hook Up too. That was a classic movie right there.
Yes. That's that's beyond hood classic. That's classic. Like I watch there's hood classic movies that are like hood classics, and then this movie.
Name 5 hood classics right now.
I got the hook
Jeopardy
up.
music, let's go.
I got the hookup. Blue Street.
Good movie, Martin.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Martin. Paid in Full.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
Shotas.
Definitely.
You know what I'm saying? And to round it all off, New Jack City.
Ding, 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 ding,
You know what I'm saying?
I like that. That's good.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a good selection of
Eclectic
movies
mix.
when you got shorty coming over in your house and shit, and you want to let her know like y'all not going out.
Yeah.
Like you here now, ma.
Yeah.
You gonna watch these movies, you know what's happening.
We're gonna stay here and watch Boricua's Bond, ma, on VHS.
Hold on, let me see if this VCR still works. You just load this shit, just keeps rejecting the VCR the video. You're like, I'm like, nah, shit. I got this. Don't sit right there. I got this, ma.
Shout out to Boricua's Bond though, because that movie, like the trailer, made you think that Big Pun and Fat Joe were like main characters in that movie.
Oh,
and they were in the movie for like 10 seconds.
Oh man.
And that shit got a major theatrical release.
Do you remember Black and White with Raekwon?
Oh, well, he got clapped and like mad fakely.
Yes, and Robert Downey Jr., Allen Houston, Jared Leto, Brooke Shields,
Wow.
Gabby Hoffman,
Oh shit.
and Bijou Phillips?
Bijou Phillips.
Bijou Phillips?
Oh,
Claudia
wow.
Schiffer.
What?
This movie sounds like the greatest movie ever. Watch it. And then when you see me, be mad. Be like, why did I waste my time?
Why'd you make me do this?
Mike Tyson's also in it.
They just threw that nigga in there like
Everyone's in it.
niggas just on the set like, yo,
Basically,
come
if you were popping in New York City in 1999, you are in this movie. So be sure to check out that. It was called Black and White, and the poster was blue. You do the math on that.
Hey, listen.
Listen, I feel like that was a missed opportunity, but what do I know? I'm just a young black man enjoying the delicious crunch of real cheese from Cheetos. Crunchy.
We bought all this stuff for Square Cash.
Come full circle. Oh, man. Shout out to all our sponsors holding us down through the years.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the brand. The brand is what?
Brandon's very strong, fucking astronomically brolic. Like,
Who knew?
Like,
Who knew
you know what I'm saying?
Like we haven't done a dick flute solo in a while. So
mad long.
But listen,
let's warm up.
we've come a far way.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I was looking at an old Desus vs. Mero the other day.
Yeah.
I was thin.
Yeah.
You were fat.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was poor. You can see it in my face.
I was like hood fat, like standing in front of the bodega fat, like I like the nigga that you always see in a baseball jersey and like some foams in front of
You
your
can see you
bodega.
were definitely a big fan of Star Crunches. Like you was out there. You was out there like like your name would have been like it'd be like yo Fat Mero from the block. Yeah.
Yeah, Big Mero, nigga got a fat face. You know what I'm saying?
That nigga got the round face. Look
You know
at
what
the
I'm
moon.
saying? Don't punch that nigga in the stomach though. He eat those.
But look at us now. Look at us. Look at the glow up.
Yo, niggas eating organic and shit. I'm
Yeah,
Whole
Red
Foods
Bull.
and shit.
Also, always and forever. Shout out to Red Bull for taking a chance on us for 120 episodes.
Yes. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Red Bull for recognizing talent.
Yes.
As they always do.
Yeah, and we came through. We were like, yo, how much we gotta pay, whatever. And they were like, no, you don't have to pay nothing.
Dugan Dagen, no.
No pay nothing.
However, you and Mero must jump from Mars. And I was like, whoa, what? I was like, all right, can we do that in like 3 years? They were like, yes.
Yes, that's fine.
Every time we walk in, they're like, are you ready? I'm like, nah, not today. He was in a car accident a couple years ago.
Yeah, I got a bad back. I don't know how to
sleep
zero
well.
gravity.
Okay, next time,
okay. Thank you.
Shout out to Red Bull. No, the sad thing is Red Bull was like, yo, we want y'all to jump off a satellite. I'm like, yeah, all right.
All right, fuck it.
I'm like, y'all covering travel?
I'm like,
all right.
I'm like, the guy ain't scared to jump off a satellite. Oh, he mad.
Because that other guy jumped. Remember that guy jumped off the satellite?
Yeah.
We could be mad swaggy or like we do that to throw up the X.
Yeah, like just start spinning and like
Niggas start doing their hand like shit. Niggas do rap hands and shit.
Stop Millie rocking it once you enter the atmosphere.
What sneakers would you wear?
The acronym Vapor Max. They look mad futuristic. You know what I'm saying?
Nice.
Yeah.
I'd wear the patent leather all black Jordan 4s.
Ah,
Yes. Because I feel like
Nice
that would not burn up through re-entry.
Through entry.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna jump off a satellite, and when we land, we're gonna land on a stage and do a live show.
You
Niggas gonna have we gonna be like Fortnite for real. Niggas gonna have mad heart monitors and shit. Like, you guys need to lay down. I'm like, nah, do that case.
Nah, fucking.
Hasan, do the music.
Yeah, did it when I beat down.
Like, welcome, Springfield. Pass out. Niggas gonna cover us with a foil blanket. They're like, you guys experience radiation poisoning. You can't do a show.
You can't, guys.
Nah.
Good.
Do the questions and answers. Questions and answers.
Fuck radiation poisoning.
Fuck that.
I poison myself every day.
I got gout. They cancel each other out. Can you be?
Yeah.
Has anyone from the hood ever died from radiation poisoning?
Never. Just
Damn.
asbestos.
Sad. Right now, some kid in Michael Anthony from the 80s. He bought a house and there's like some kid eating paint chips. The lead paint. Yeah, that's his. Listen, everyone loves chips. You know what they say? Once you pop, you can't stop.
You can't tab. Now my brain doesn't work. Yeah.
I don't care. It's the 80s. I'll do what I want.
I always looked as a younger person without kids. I would watch that shit and be like, "Damn, nigga, it would be lit if my baby ate paint chips and I got like mad millions of dollars." Now I'm like, "Yo, I don't actually want a lead paint chip baby in exchange for like $5 million, bro. Like, I'd rather just have a well-adjusted child with no
lead paint chip
function.
baby is our Emmy movie. That's what we're getting an Oscar for.
It's just us as full-grown men in diapers.
Scarlett Johansson is playing the baby.
She's like, "Hey guys, I love lead paint chips."
That's the whole movie. It's just my mother like, no, put it down, stop.
My mom is her math teacher and is like, "Scarlett, you have to stop eating the lead paint chips from the window."
I can't. They're so delicious.
I love them. They're delicious.
Also, Scarlett Johansson also has the guy from Empire's voice. I can't, man.
I can't, man.
I gotta eat these paint chips, man.
Listen, man, you either let me eat this lead or you gonna eat some lead, man.
Listen, you know, it's a lead be lead world. Give me my chips, man. Big chips.
No, I don't follow. I lead, nigga.
All right.
All right.
Why is it lead and not lead? Explain that.
Come
You
on,
can't.
man.
The world's crazy. Give me another chip. Lead paint baby.
You know when you peel like that big ass, like satisfying chip off the
They can eat it like a fruit roll-up. Disclaimer: do not eat lead paint.
Duh. It's crazy that you gotta tell motherfuckers that now.
Listen,
like,
I'm still putting allegedly's all over my speech. Like,
everywhere. Allegedly.
sprinkle them shits.
Yo, I want to meet the first person that spilled the hot coffee on themselves that caused the caution contents may be hot.
You know what? Everyone makes a joke about that. The hot coffee
Lady?
McDonald's, right?
Yeah.
But apparently she was burned really. There was a documentary on it. Like,
She was like severely
fucked up.
burnt?
She was fucked up. It was 1992. 79-year-old Stella Liebeck
Oh, she's 79.
bought a
Damn.
cup of takeout coffee at McDonald's driving in Albuquerque and spilled it in her lap. She sued McDonald's and a jury awarded her how much do you think?
At least $100 million.
$3 million.
$3 million?
They said the coffee was not just hot, but dangerously hot. But have you ever, if you are like, how can I say this without coming off as clashes and egregious? If you are a low quality swill and get your coffee from McDonald's, that's what you get. Their coffee is mad hot. It's disgusting. They over burn their beans.
The beans just sit there.
Mm-hmm.
They don't grind them fresh. We could just be making that up.
Have you seen the picture? There's
Yes.
like an actual,
Yes. And here's the thing. She offered to settle the case for $20K. McDonald's offered her $800.
Wow.
And they were like, fuck that.
And then fucking Celino was like, yo, my nigga. Yo, listen.
Here's the crazy part.
We coming to this bag.
There's like because McDonald's are franchises and shit.
Yeah.
The manual for the franchise just says you have to hold the coffee. The coffee has to be served at 180 to 190 degrees.
God damn.
Okay? That at that temperature, if spilled, causes third-degree burns in 3 to 7 seconds.
Yikes!
She earned every dollar in that
God
shit.
damn.
They had to change her whole thing after that.
Would you spell that same cup of coffee on your lap for $3 million?
Throw that shit right on my genitals.
I'll put my pants off, nigga. Put that shit on my ball.
Throw it on my ball! Ah! Nigga, I'll take that. Sell it to MTV too. I'm like, yo, Jackass is back. We get Spike Jonze to film it.
This is me pushing you in a shopping cart with your balls on
This
fire.
is me, you, and Victor. Just film you fucking up your father. Like he's on the toilet. You hit him and he just knocks you out.
Nigga gets up with Dookie coming out his butt and just
fuck
knocks
is wrong
what
with
the fuck
you?
is wrong with you, nigga? Yeah,
I'm like, it's for a show.
yeah.
I turned my parents' house into like a skate ramp, and mom was like, "That's nice." And she just sits down and watches Judge Judy in the middle of the skate ramp. I was like, no, it's whimsical.
It's
you live in a skate ramp now.
Oh, hey, hello.
She
A
just
virtual ice hockey rink.
She just slides her dinner down it and like eats it. Like, okay, I'm going. It's wow. We look at it's 5:45. I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed. That's it. It's sundown, bedtime. Yo,
I'll be watching the news with her. She's just like, things are getting worse. I was like, nah, things are actually much better than what you like first went to New York. Like, how do you think things are getting worse?
yeah, like fam.
But then I was also like, you used to just let me play outside by myself for like 5 hours. So,
Oh yeah,
you know.
When they were burning the borough down intentionally.
Intentionally. Shout out to when the Bronx was burning down. And as a kid, I would look out my window. You see all these fires. And like my father worked at night. So as a kid, because I'm stupid, because kids are dumb, I was like, my father's sending these fires.
You don't know that that's not true.
I can totally see him doing it. And shout out to my 5 German Shepherds I had coming up. King, Sheba, Sheba 2, Queen, and Rex. This is what happens when you have a 5-year-old named dogs. But those were our dogs, and we used to go and play in the lots after the burned out buildings fell down.
Oh man,
Where were my parents? I don't know. I have a lot of questions about my childhood. So at one point in my life, I was a 5-year-old running around the Bronx with just a German Shepherd playing in vacant lots.
Definitely no lead in asbestos. In that
All right?
yeah, no,
Okay?
not at all.
And I was like, oh shit, look, it's still hot. It's still ashy. And I just come home. Like I had a key to the apartment. Like, what the hell was going on? I should probably be talking to a therapist about this.
It's wild because my dad used to drive me around in his van, like take me to work, take your kid to work day, but like actual make your kid work day. And same thing, burning buildings all over the place. And I would just be like, yo, why are these buildings all on fire? Like, man, inquisitive child.
Mm-hmm.
And he'd be like, porque los bomberos que no sirven para nada.
What does that mean?
The firemen here ain't worth shit. They don't do their job. They just lazy Irish niggas and they sit in the house all day in the headquarters drinking beer and they don't put out the fire. That's why I cannot come in here and fix the air conditioning. Wow. I was like, damn. Looking back at the speeches that my dad gave me, I'm like, damn, nigga, you really hate America, nigga. Like,
That's crazy.
He's like, I came here for this bag and then I'm out.
Do you guys remember when the Bronx, when they had all the burned out buildings, instead of fixing the buildings, and we talked about this a lot, and you can't find it on Google for some reason because they don't have pictures of it.
No.
Instead of fixing the buildings, the New York City put up the fake pictures inside the burned out buildings of like flower pots and shutters, which was just the scariest shit ever.
Yeah, because the 2x4s are too frightening.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they were like pitch black. Fuck. Somebody needs to make that to a t-shirt. So everyone steals their fucking ideas from this podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
We're on to you. And let me tell you something. You think Victor is here for the fun and the games and the good hair?
Nah.
Let me tell you, he is just amassing a bunch of lawyers, and we're going to hit one of you with a cease and desist lawsuit that is going to blow your fucking mind. So keep playing with our images and our likenesses.
Bruh.
I'm very litigious.
Let's go. Let's go.
So
All right.
So you got a running note of just niggas to sue.
It actually just says niggas to sue.
All right. Wait till Pio serves you.
He's like, hey, Mike Zuckerberg, is that you? And he's like, oh shit, it's the Dominican Midget. How are you? Yeah, I'm Mark Zuckerberg. You be served, motherfucker. I ain't no fucking baby.
I am expressing shock and other emotions that humans would have. Processing.
Yes.
Processing.
Yes.
If you serve Mark Zuckerberg, he's going to be like, fuck 010011001110. Oh, sure.
Sorry. Nigga's wife opens his bag, starts fucking with wires and
wow. We need to reboot Small Wonder with Bad Baby.
Oh my God.
Who would not watch that? Who would not watch? She's just a cursing robot.
Yo, just a cat. Yo, fuck y'all. Catch me outside. Fuck y'all. I'm not doing shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm malfunction all day. I don't care. Like, yo, chill. You wildin'. And you sound like Yesenia.
Have you been to? Also, we're doing a little dick solo here.
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Another thing. we talked about Movie Pass on this. Remember?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Movie Pass a la carte movies.
Yeah. Beautiful thing.
Now, what they're doing now is surge pricing for movies. They're adding $5, saying that movies are too popular right now, and so you have to pay $5, and then people are going to theaters, and theaters are empty. Well, sad to say, I told you guys, get in on it early, enjoy it while it lasts. It's not sustainable. We're recording this on a Friday. Yesterday, MoviePass could not afford to pay for tickets for Thursday.
Wow. See? You think you got a good idea? Get a couple angel investors, nigga.
Yeah,
They just blow their money and then they're like, oh, well, I got 38 billion more. I don't care.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
Disgusting.
But then your dream is ruined.
Listen. I guess they didn't have the guts of a burglar.
They didn't have the guts of a burglar.
Listen, every business plan, you have to run it through Mike Francesa to know if it's good.
You gotta call him up and be like, hey,
Mike, first time, long time. I want to open a juice bar in the South Bronx. It's called the Juice is Loose. I'll hang up and listen. What do you feel?
All right. First of all, I mean, I don't know if you got something better to do. You got a job or something like that. You probably should concentrate on that. When you get back from Mars, give me a fucking call. But first of all, juice is for cowards. You know what I mean? The true nectar of the gods is a Diet Coke. Steve, bring me another Diet Coke here. Also, by the tone of your voice, you sound kind of like a little Moulianish, And we both know that you do not drink natural juice. You drink the Tropicana juice that says 2% juice on it. All right? Mike in Staten Island, go ahead.
Nah, that was really racist. That was racist as shit. Like, how everybody gonna let a W? You know shit is racist when you actually gotta get pen and paper. Okay? You gotta clear off some space at your table, like, Like, when was the last time you wrote a letter? Well, the other day, they were like, they were signing some shit. I was like, how? What? My muscles don't even work to sign shit.
I was like, what letter? How do I write a letter? Bro?
Nigga, I'd be winded after signing credit card receipts. Like, what? I gotta write a whole shit out.
I think I don't sign the back of my credit cards like I'm so lazy. I'm just like, I got my
I put
name
in
on
big
the
black
front.
marker. I was like, ask for ID, and people were like, we're not doing that. Like, this is a high end store. What are you doing?
Stop.
Are you gonna buy this Sonos or not?
Stop, please.
I was like, come on now. Like,
Come on, it's Wi-Fi enabled, bro.
Like, why you making it hot?
Oh, you make it hot for me, man. I'm popping, nigga. I got recognized by 2 of the associates, man. Now you read my.
Is that how you? What do you have a record for how many times you've been recognized in one day? Do you keep a tally in your head?
At the mall, I remember one day in particular. And it was like I wasn't frustrated, but it was just like it was a lot because I was Dolo with the 3 boys, and they are wild. Like, especially Mero 4 is entering the terrible 3s where he just is just like, yo, nigga, I want to touch everything. I want to climb everything. I want to touch everything. And everybody was just coming, yo, Mero, yo, son, yo, I fuck with the show. Y'all niggas is mad funny. Yo, y'all rapping for us. Yo, keep doing your thing. Yo, word. Yo, you mind if I get a flick? Meanwhile, my son is like fucking like hitting the emergency stop on the escalator and shit. Like, an old white lady falls down and like sues me and shit.
John,
like,
they're stealing.
They're stealing from the Oshkosh store. Why is Mero 2 in Versace sneakers?
Oh my god.
You know what I'm saying? But it was like fucking 11 people, bro, one day. I was just like, god damn. I was like, all right, but I ain't mad. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I enjoy the love. It's
What's
good.
crazy is like I'll be on the train and I'm sitting next to people and I'll take the train from like New York. I'll take it from like the Bronx to Brooklyn and I'll sit next to someone for the whole train ride and they're just asking me mad questions and shit. I'm just like, all right, I guess we're best friends now.
All right, pal.
They're like, where's Victor? I was like, I don't travel with Victor and Mero all the time.
Like,
so.
yeah.
So Mero's armpits really don't still? Like, they don't. You really eat fish fillets? Do you have a fillet of fish on? No, I don't have a fillet of fish on me.
It's like a gag that we do.
That we do every now and then.
Yeah. Like
Okay. Where's all your sneakers? I'm like, they're in my
house where I live.
Where's Red Bull? It's 2018.
We say it every single episode.
When do you start at Showtime? It's like we're working on.
TBD.
How can I be on the show? Can I have a job on the show? Where's Juice Box? I'm like, what the fuck? Ah!
Nigga, I'm getting off at 2 stops. You just get off at Burnside and cop a hot bag. Like, fuck this.
I pulled the emergency brake. I pulled the emergency brake to top the train.
You just do the shit for the nigga from the gift. Just hop off the moving train. Like, yo, fuck this shit. Fuck this shit.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Shout out to Juice Box. I miss him.
Yeah. Oh, man. It's all good. We'll get another dead animal.
Yeah. That's gonna be my closet. Yeah, shout out to the homie Popcorn.
Yo, Popcorn, big up.
New album just dropped.
Yo, go cop.
Very good. He gave us the album Drake should have gave us, which
Yes.
is incredible.
Yes.
Drake should have stole at least 3 songs from this album. Because he didn't give us any Jamaican music.
Oh, nah.
It would've been
You
good.
owe us. You owe us.
Shout out to Popcorn. Unruly. Keep winning by any means.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Big up. You know what I'm saying? Big
Shout
tune.
out to, and you know who produced some of the tracks? A little group called Mixpac.
Oh, Mix Pack!
It is Mac.
Big up Mix Pack in the building. Big up Mix Pack Massive. Dre Skull.
Yes.
Jubilee. One Life. Popcorn. You know what I'm saying? Hood Celebrity. Big up the whole crew.
Yeah, this is a good episode. We hit all the buttons. We hit all the buttons on this shit. Shout out to everyone that passed on this podcast. You know, when they were offered it. I'm gonna not mention the name, but you're feeling stupid right now.
Sorry.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go eat an orange.
But I don't. I don't think people in the Midwest will get it. Hey, listen. Listen,
They
man.
getting it.
Oh, they getting it.
They getting it in the Midwest, in the fucking East West, in the fucking Pacific
They getting
Northwest.
it in Eastern Sudan. They getting it in Taiwan.
You know what I'm
Listen,
saying?
man.
Come on, man.
The brand is strong. The brand is out here.
Like Tony Yayo said, England, Sweden, and Serbia. Niggas is getting art, man. Fuck out of here.
I can't wait for us to do our European tour.
God.
Man.
Like Tekashi, just come back uninjured.
We're gonna be doing like at such random places. We'll be like, yo, Czechoslovakia. They'll be like, that doesn't exist.
It's 2 places now. It's
doesn't
Czech
exist.
Republic
Oh,
and
shit.
Slovakia.
I'll be like, yo, Ukraine. We got the whole crowd like, fuck Putin. Fuck Putin.
Fuck Putin. Then it's just like this
You
green
see like
gas.
mad niggas just get sniped out of nowhere. Like, I'm like, all right, we gotta go. We love you, out.
Yo, peace, yo.
Go run back on stage,
They're
get the Jamaican flag.
Doozy AKAs. Doozy AKAs. They're like, no, they're dropping uranium. We got to bounce.
We got mouse.
Victor's like, you guys got 2 minutes. They're
Hard out. They just shot down the
Yeah,
fighter. They just shot down the passenger
This is
plane.
a union stage, and they charge fees. Act like they won't dock us.
Oh shit! We're gonna do a show on top of what remains of the Berlin Wall.
live from Chernobyl. It's the Bodega Boys.
Let's go, mad people there. We got the mad ginger counters and shit. Just clicking off the thing like, we can't stay. We can only be here 10 minutes because we're going over our exposure rate. But you know this. What we could do is the AKAs and like they're like, you have to go.
Go,
Your exposure rate is crazy. It's like a 3-headed deer. Like What's the place in Japan? The radio,
Fukushima.
Fukushima. That's right. Bodega Boys live from Fukushima.
Damn, almost-
Catches a reactor 3.
Almost mad problematic.
This nigga was about to say, you was about to say fucking Hiroshima.
I was about to say Tamagotchi, nigga, but
Wow.
close enough.
Wow. Every time I'm like, damn. Like even a problematic like is looking at me like, really, nigga?
Damn, son.
Damn, son. Where'd you get that? The problematic light is unscrewing itself and replacing itself with an LED bulb. Because like, yo, I got 3 days of retirement. I can't take much more of this shit.
Chill. Y'all niggas working me too hard.
He's a Tamagotchi. Who are you, Logan Paul? You just gonna run around the fucking suicide forest and make fat
With a stupid ass hat on and shit like, yo, look at all the dead people, bro. Oh, it's so gnarly.
Got the wild. Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Man, fucked up.
We got to do the wild apology after it. Niggas just got off the apology tour to do another apology tour.
I'm sorry for 2004. In hindsight, that was a terrible song title, B. That song could have been
He just
eternal.
been like, I'm sorry for you fucking whore. Or
Yeah,
something else.
something.
Anything else.
Like,
Why we- 2004.
2004, nigga? Like, that wasn't even a memorable year. Like, I don't... What happened in 2004, bro?
Yeah.
Like-
As a Yankee fan, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know what happened in
remember what happened in 2004.
I don't-
Never happened.
I'm drawing a blank. I don't know. I have no idea what's happening over there.
I was in
that
the
year.
bar the other day beefing about 2004, and some girl was like, yo, I was born in like Wait, no.
She's like, nigga, I was born in 2004.
She was like, no, she said something like, my father beefs about that a lot. And I was like, damn.
Damn, man.
I was like, damn, your father sounds cool as shit.
Some people try to still cape for the Boston Red Sox and say that Jason Varitek beat up A-Rod. Jason Varitek, let me go on a little short sports.
Go in, sir.
Jason Varitek did not fucking beat up A-Rod. He came for the smoke with armor on. A-Rod took his shit off, by the way. If you watch the replay, he took off the
kept the mask on.
Varitek
kept the mask on.
Varitek kept the fucking mask on.
That's a gutless move.
Gutless move by a gutless coward.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then he went for the eyes like a little hoe. You know what I'm saying? Instead of squaring up. So then what did A-Rod do? He had to do what any man would do and put that man in a sleeper. You know what I'm saying? And I guarantee you he would have turned his face into taco meat. You know what I'm saying? Were it not for the prevailing cool heads of the Yankees organization. That is my end of rant. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. And when you want to win, bro, you will slap a ball out of a motherfucker's hand, bro, because anything to win.
All right.
Like Eddie Guerrero said, lie, cheat, steal.
Shout out to my Yankees, 27 rings. You know what it is.
He also had a t-shirt that said vagina.
My Yankees, 27 rings. We're kind of struggling right now, but you know what? Guess what? We're not playing the Orioles and we're not playing the fucking Rays in the wild card.
Yeah, so
you know what?
We're playing the fucking Seattle Mariners. Who cares?
You know what? We're going to be there. Don't worry about us. Worry about your own fucking team.
Yeah, I already called Robinson Cano. He's going to throw the game for us.
Yeah, that took nothing, right? What, one hookah? One hookah? He just doesn't want to... Listen, if the Yankees win on Robinson Cano not running out to first, oh my God, how great would that be?
I'll give him a flag to jog to first and shit. Like, here's a flag, jog backwards, my G.
Oh, man. Nigga moonwalk to first?
Yeah.
My princess is going to have a color. Like, oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God.
Oh, man. Yo, it's been episode 120. 120, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, word up, God.
The same temperature. God. If you're a parent, you know this. This is the same normal temperature that your child should have every day, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, 120. Yeah, 120 Celsius. Yep.
Yes, yes, for my British people.
Yep.
Yo, it's been your boy, Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat Like Cheerio. Okay, Chris Dasper Sling.
Oh, wow.
Eli Lippy, Butchers with Gully. Still, but I might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Donald's with Orlando, 1994 in New York, Michael Gona, the Juve Boss, MC Lil Goopy, putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
I don't know you, nigga.
I don't know you. The original one, plus one God, plus one, don't make a fuss on DJ Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pod, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakuni without the coonery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K. Low K. Two Phone Jones, these is Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Violence label, dilute.
Do it 3 times. Yeah. You must.
The Champion was 240p because I got my Pinot Blood.
Yeah.
DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Wash FM. You know what it is. I like to remind you of the classics. Because there's no more rock stars except for us. Remember this?
Talk to him. Oh, wow.
Right, a little Smashing Pumpkins for you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think I fucked it up.
Oh, shit.
1979. See that shit, boys. See that shit, boys. Oh, what a year.
Yo, shout out to Billy Corgan. Shout out to Billy Corgan for looking like a real life vampire.
He turned into like the Mad InfoWars head or some shit now, so fuck him. So can we go? Desus Spicer, Jamal Hasper, the Bronx City Yarn, Ray Nephew's Nero, the Mirano, you cannot contain. You guys seen that? Like, we know when you play Super Mario Brothers, he hopped on the flag and shit. The Mirano, you cannot contain. Your little brother's playing there. He's playing Luigi, but it's still one player. You don't know he's doing with the one controller.
He's not really playing.
Control the duck and duck hunt, my nigga. Ray Nephew's you can remember he went to the job. Young Aaron, the race of provocateur. Henry Blake, Nelson Mandela. Sergio can't see me. Vladimir Buffin.
Damn.
The human weather is melting in your mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Bex on Tuckerton. Ricky Tiki Squabby. Greg Bob. If it's more to say, Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got a cucumber.
Yeah.
You should oppress. But your boy never is. Never is. Cool under pressure.
Yeah.
Listen, I'll bounce from your girl's house and I'll use her secret deodorant. Strong enough for a woman, but strong enough for a man, but
made for a woman.
I am the art, damn it.
Yeah.
The Dundallah Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Over, Cash Over. We made cent, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar.
Yo.
Forget the small change.
What you on? Big money one. That's right.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset, Mr. Saga. Catch me at square one, top left, man. This is Marv.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Yes.
You know
True Rizzuto. Holy cow. Catch me at the money store. Mr. Sop Plums. All I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and what? It's me, Sunny D. Yay. David Yerman. This is Red Bottoms. These Blood. chillers. So we'll keep notes. Still getting them checks though. Andrew Coon. You want to die with a dildo in your butt? AKA the Junior, Energy God Junior. Come sit down, palm me charge.
Sit pun it!
Yeah,
What pun
I
it?
got your bitch on phrase. The topic of gossip and psyosip. Yo, I think Desus was trying to get on using a non-peak ticket. Wow. They ain't been stopping at Sweeties for bad reasons. Like, I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic had to crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA your problematic babe. Mwah, 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 mwah. If you kiss the seats on the Metro North, you won't get bed bugs.
Yeah, that's right. They are bedbug free.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because
So you build up immunity when you get on yours.
It's the high class train. You know what I'm saying? It's for people with a little bread. You know what I'm saying? Episode 120, you know what I'm saying? We studying 120 mathematics, God. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the K-Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Guy, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I respect Juicy J. Fuck Wiz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Lord, I jumped the curb, hit the dog, nigga, hit the baby, hit everybody. I don't give a fuck.
Get his license plate. Someone get his license plate.
Yo, it says Triz.
What
it
is
should be
that?
easy to remember.
How is that even allowed by the DMV?
I know fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. Look at my dad. AKA, fuck you me, guess this, nigga. I look like shit on West Coast to you, you fucking coward. Get the fuck out of my face. The guess list should just be a picture of me, you fucking worm burger. Step aside before I cut your face. AKA CC Dad Bavia. AKA, I got my kids taking swimming lessons with Michael Phelps and wilding lessons with Ryan Lochte. Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA, AKA, bitch smack me, young boy. AKA, Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? I'm uptown sniffing the booty. AKA, dick in your bed, Mutombo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. Unless you bring me 30 goats. You know what I'm saying? And not the bony ones, neither. You know what I'm saying?
I got 25.
We can talk. Let's talk. Let's talk.
Cool.
DM me.
Okay.
AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the two-row. AKA the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy. AKA sweat my cardigan, there's definitely money on it. You know what I'm saying? Put the plastic bag on that shit, nigga. You're embarrassing us both. Punch in the code, nigga. Stop playing. Call a manager. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me find out. Yo, I don't care if you bring your girl and she's diabetic, nigga. I'm gonna kiss her in the mouth, yo. Right in front of your face. I don't care. AKA Light Nail Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass and got five.
Don't even got five. Come on, man.
Get the fuck out of here, nigga. 2018, bro. We about halves and better. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. You mean to tell me that those balls were not doctored? You mean to tell me that Tom Brady and all the evidence says that he did not tell the equipment manager to doctor those balls? I'm gonna hang up on you.
Wow.
You're a coward. AKA Field Ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? I want to explore your cosmos mind. You know what I'm saying? Especially that Milky Way. Nasty. Yeah, I'm a nasty nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Nasty.
The little hairs around the
boys
ball. You know what I'm saying?
Don't mean a thing.
Yeah, girl.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Nasty boys.
Yeah.
Don't mean a thing.
Talk to him. AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Xander Betterfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Pio gonna be there. He's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? He's bringing the shisha. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your weak human ankles with vibranium ones so you can withstand the force of my gifted crossover. Oh, you didn't think I could hoop? Nigga, I be hooping. Wow. Candy, throw me an oop. Watch me flush it on this nigga's chest. AKA, you know what I'm saying? Thank you, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hold my jockstrap. AKA, open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is, man. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Baby, I keep my phone upside down, man, to protect the screen from any damage, man. That's all, baby. Come on, man. I ain't trying to hide nothing from you. AKA, baby Newport niggas got garbage down the way. I got 2 for $5. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown shut the car down. AKA live from Inwood Park searching for cigarettes that aren't fully smoked. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his hits. I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and dope sick love. Don't let me leave. Wow. You know what I'm saying? And straight from across the pond, mate, because there's no more rock stars, just the Bodega Boys, man. We are the #1 art in the world. You know what I'm saying? We do not even categorize as a podcast. You know what it is? It's the plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a
subway token from 1995.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying?
Never get him another Diet
You know what
Coke.
I'm saying? That's right. Pulling up from 40's your boy Barmelos Anthony. I'm gonna be coaching the Knicks in 2 years, so you niggas get your hats ready. That's
right.
You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target higher than Elon Musk's original hairline, staring at Zoom blind bags, trying to figure out what's inside, using the power of my smack mind, approach me like a fucking bear, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'll so fake clean. See SoundCloud to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's hard for a bottle of water I peed in, man. It's just a little bit. I'm not even trying anymore, man. They'll just buy anything, bro. He's not even rapping. He's off like 8 hands. Is he even asleep? Should I wake him up? Should I call an ambulance or something? Like, should I do something? Or
Nah,
just leave him there?
Let him sleep it off.
Just leave him, sleep it off. All right, bet. Yo, Hasan, tírame la pista. Que lo que llegó el hijo de Titi FIFA, coño, el que trae el locro de salami para la playa. Yo me la estoy buscando por todos los lados y tú más salado que el agua del mar, mamagüevo. Suelta la dema, cacoñema. Este viernes estoy en Locksmith sin camisa, dando la Shiggy Challenge con todo. You know what I'm saying? Locksmith, nigga. Friday, pull up. You know what I'm saying? Saturday, pull up. Thursday, pull up. Wednesday, pull up. Monday, pull up. Tuesday, pull up. Anything that ends in Y, pull up.
Hi. I just moved into the neighborhood. My parents.
Sorry, man. Get the fuck out of here, nigga. It's reggaeton night.
Keep it down.
Fuck out of here.
I just moved in above Locksmith and.
Well, guess what? You're gonna listen to Demo That remix 10 times in a row.
Okay. How many times did you guys say Kalo Gay?
Megan, get the fuck up out my face now.
Yeah, it's been episode 120. Be sure to check out. You know what it is. You know us. We're Amy Adams Gang. Check out our show Sharp Objects on HBO. It's
You know
dark
what I'm
as
saying?
shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Dark as
Word
shit.
up. Amy Adams.
It's so dark. She was like, she can't do another season of it because the shit was too dark.
Wow.
So you know that's right in my wheelhouse.
Yeah.
Remember, everything is finite. Everyone you know eventually will die, and in 3 generations, no one will remember actual individual things about you, like your laugh or your smell, or
Just memories.
just things that you. They will
right.
just be a vision. People will be like, "Oh, remember Mero, grandfather Mero?"
Yeah.
But they will remember the actual Mero.
No, they'll just
They
have
won't
that
know
picture of me with the cane and the chair.
Yes.
That's like a painting that's been, a photograph that's been painted over.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
So life is short. Live hard.
You know what I'm saying?
Do the do. Wait, no, it's Red Bull, right?
It's Red Bull. Yeah. Do the Red Bull.
Do the
nigga.
Red Bull.
Peace.
We out.
Holla.